Oh, Lord. Watch ya.
Go on.
How we are doing on my ear?
Yeah, stretch my long legs, them.
Oh.
I know me ears the Auntie Jaya do a little project.
Yeah.
Big house.
Oh, you here already?
Yeah.
And guess who in charge?
You.
You know I go on, man. You know, long man be a contractor. A man hungry money and pay people. You can pay still if you can book it. You
No. You know, earn me the most of me ears say she I'll get the money I coming out your name.
Why?
That when I did younger, I used to thief and blame me pa me, so I still think say a thief and now. You know, if you be trusted with money.
No, man, you can't say that. Me's an honest man. I'm very honest. You don't understand?
Yes, it's an honest man, he's a thieving man.
That I did back in the days. I'm a changed man now. Right now, I love me. I look for me. I try to find a woman where we can settle down with the cars. My sister, I gonna make me be a millionaire. Cause, you know, say a big house that so when him start send them dollars there, and I start pay people, I pay myself out of it too. Yeah, we have a million. So we can take care of anything. You know, me well want buy one BMW. One of the latest 2027 before 2027 coming.
I ask you one question. You have to work towards buying a BMW? You don't even work. You live off your sister money.
Then something wrong with it?
Yes.
I'm my sister.
That don't say she shouldn't let you in charge of the money first. She left me in charge of the money. Me, she should make the money and come too.
Young girl. Left money, my sister.
Yes.
She left money with you. You must have, you're mad.
Mad with what?
Figure do what? Figure spend it for a man.
No? Me not spend the money for no man. Listen to me carefully. Me is not a thief. I'm an honest person. I live by God. Me live by God. You don't live by God. You live by the devil, don't you? So you're a thief.
No. Me not serve the devil. Don't do that.
Where do that? I can't. God never influence nobody for thief. Cause me remember the time then, man. With the times of a follow you, government joy. Yeah, me follow government joy. You thief out the man bicycle. That what is me? Run left me.
I borrow hit.
And me get big stone.
Yes.
Bust me head back.
Yes, because to your picnic, me bring you there, so all the blame go on you. But
I said to you got thief and money. Me not trust you with the money. You don't think she should get the money.
You feel like me that thief, my sister?
Yes. Me believe.
She'll build a big mansion and when she did that, me go own it.
Backside.
Ram.
So you dey build mansion. Not because I want to help your sister, but because when she dead and gone, you dey go inherit the house. Suppose you're dead first, and me they go inherit it.
Okay. So you pray for me dead?
Me not pray for you dead.
Yeah. You?
But you're old.
One way they go and think
you're
us a bill.
Look for you. Look for you from head to toe. You're an old man.
And
you're
so?
You're an old man that doesn't have no woman.
And so?
You're just old. And if you look at age, can be a young girl with ears say, yeah, look. You're very old.
Me, I go have money.
But yeah, when you take a push out your chest, you want to up strong. You know, if you try to push out your chest, you have to sink in. You can remember, say, you're old man. Stop trying to be young boy. And you see, what do you say, you know? Look what we have on the road, Papa.
I'm going to prove it to you.
We are button up short.
All right.
Your teeth himself.
All right, I'll get a girl show you. I'll show you how me get woman. You talk about young girl.
You get a woman.
I'll get a big woman show you.
Nobody no want you.
Oh! So you feel?
As some know.
You think a SSL list? Huh? You think a SSL list? Oh.
You wonder what's like you know?
I'm not a fraud. I'm real. I did not fraud nobody.
None of them a generation I know. You're not gonna work. You say, yeah, I work at a hotel. You there wear cocks and socks. None of them a tell you. With I don't call them a shot, yeah. With button up shot. You think you're a pastor? Or a deacon? What should me a try for just like?
Well, in the future I would like to be a pastor because pastor make money. Pastor make a lot of money. So nothing wrong.
If you church, me who invite nobody to go to church.
Why?
Thief their money.
How me go thief their money?
Thief their money.
So sending your collection plate is thieving their money?
Yes. We need the money to do. We need money to do.
What people did money?
Pastor now work. You only work pastor do is preach. Preach or not preach.
Yes.
And rich so?
Because we are blessed, you know. We have preached the Holy Ghost in our. Some of you come to church on sin. So we cast the sin out of you. Make you have health, make you rich. You come back with the money and pay. But some of you, when we pray for you and rich, you hold the money for yourself. That's why at the end of the day, you lose the money.
So why when you did go to church, why you never pray for top thief?
Me?
Why you never pray for top thief? Cause everything when you do is thief. You thief, you say thief, that's all.
I would have wish if I could pray to stop do certain things because you cannot pray for what you want. I'm tired to walk and tell your whole neighborhood. You have to just pray. But one day will come when me have to pray, you know?
Sometimes I'm sorry, say, yeah, me are related. You say, me I shouldn't related. Me shouldn't related because you're stingy with money and thief. Me get $200.
Yes, me stingy with money and me thief. Me glad, thank you. Me not
Come
even,
on, man, you know, say you're my favorite cousin. You know, say me love you.
yeah, that's how you see how the time when you know I'm big, you know, yeah, man, I'm favorite cousin and start care people mix up, come give me. You soon start telling people mix up because you want food and money. And that you do, come up people yard with mix up. And then after you done tell we mix up, I will feel happy and joy when you start beg. You take we feel that, take your backside one way. One way you one way you what me say? No wrong with me, you know. Or what?
Why, cause the time hot. Say I get some sleep. You alright? You feeling alright? What do you? My foot are hurt me, man. When I time when me there outside and feel my head did feel one kind of way. You know, like not really pain me. But I don't know if I 3 times so hot, my head just feel one kind of way. And then when me sit down out there, so me realize that me need them and hurt me. I have to beg a girl to help me get up off I see, man. Come like me want go, doctor. Yeah, man, you can't see you forget a once over. And then me did feel one kind of way and me beg one of my friend buy one Arizona for me. Cause some things say that make me feel better. Cause I'm a friend, you know. You know mean to me, so me can't mean
like
to
how you feel that natural water you for drink. Something like coconut water. Nobody go up on the sugar.
Me did thirsty and
That
me
not
know
go
me
quench
say
your
me buy for me
thirst.
cause I want good youth, but me tell him so if you go buy one oxygen, buy one next bucket of water for me and see that. So after me drink the Arizona, me tell him say me still not feel good. And him buy this, give me to see how far me drink it go. So you see why me have to help my friend, I want my friend man, but right now I feel I'm gonna lie down a little bit.
Yes, man, you have to rest because
so,
you have pressure.
Yes, man.
You work. You have
Right
pressure.
now I'm going to
Excuse me, cousin. Mommy. Give me one money to buy something to eat.
oh, God. Come here, my dad. Sit down inside me. You know me love you, not sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, God. My dad, I have to tell you the truth. You see the money when me did have? You see man where you see me the chat to?
Yes, ma'am.
Where you see me not to talk to him because he don't like you and he always disrespect you?
Yeah.
Trying to put argument to you and you're not into it and you did tell me?
Yeah.
That's you know, say little money when I hide underneath the pillow. Remember the pillow when I have?
Yes, ma'am.
And me always hide it. Me no use it, you know, me always hide a pillow the underneath the bed. You know, saying come here other night when another year when you tell me say you're going down with your friend and study.
Yes, ma'am.
And the man wait till me drop asleep. And take out me 250,000 from out of the pillow.
Jesus Christ.
If you love rest that man, then we can go find one next man. What can mind me and
you know, we ain't coming like, me no bother with him. Me I report to your police station. The police them say, if you set some more money there and go and tell me what me fi do. Me no want chat when you say because let me tell you, you know I have one dirty style, I want little mama man, you know. Me sorry say me go there with this one, he always say come at the window and they listen to see if me have no money near it. You know I said one night me in the talk and the man don't call me phone the next year when you're gone. I tell me how him hear me and money in the talk.
Hey.
I'm in daughter me the talk too, you don't know really. And the man jealous and he have nothing to give me every dollar, every cent, every penny when he have the man TV out.
Mommy, what am I gonna do now?
He gone with the 250,000. But no worry yourself. Me know say you're hungry. Me go call one of my friend them down the road. We did home me one partner money for a long time. So she tell me say she fi get some money this week. So me I go get it and make sure say make sure say get some people. Me I go make sure say she give me it no longer than today. Cause me wait long enough. About 2 years now she want me, you know. But anyway, me have little cornmeal in there. Remember me show you how my grandmother show me how to make turn cornmeal, you know.
Yes,
And you put the coconut milk in there and you season it up and you can put the chicken in there, a piece of saltfish. You have to learn to cook, you know. Me know say your dirty papa when me used to do with. Lord Jesus, him a want in a disgrace.
Mommy, me don't want to talk about my father because from me born. So you know, you been asking my father dead. So me don't know how you talk
He dead for
about.
true. Jew water kill him. He dead for true. Jew water kill your pa.
Him unalive for true cause.
Yes, you know I know. Me never want to tell you. Alright, my baby.
Yes, mommy.
Remember say next week are your birthday, you know?
Yes.
You got 16 next week.
Yes, mommy.
Yes,
Yeah,
you
give
got
me
good.
for my birthday.
Don't worry yourself, man. We have a plan for you. A surprise.
Alright,
Yes. Anyway,
me go look over something.
as me I tell you about your dirty papa.
Mommy, me don't want to hear
Me
about my
want to tell you
father.
about him. You see your
Okay.
father?
Yes, mommy.
Jesus Christ. Me not really want to tell you about him, you know, but now
That's what me
you reach a age and you always say, ask
Mommy, me
about
not reach
him.
that age yet.
Yes, you're 15. Next week, you come.
Sweet 16.
Next week at the 19th, you know. Thursday, at your birthday. You go 16. So a time now where we understand and know certain stuff in our life. Me need to tell you about the Jankro.
Alright, mommy, tell me again.
You know, say thief in all this thief, I never know. In thief. Me say the only thing left in thief, if Jesus did the on the cross, he would thief him after. But me glad God come off. In
So, mommy,
thief,
a thief in man, you take up?
never know saying thief.
But a two teeth in man you take up cause.
You don't know what I say.
What?
Like
You
this.
bad lucky so.
Like they said me fi find thief in man because
Jesus,
let me tell you
200.
something.
Jesus.
You see for your father, this man when he dey look, you know what I do? Start play Christian song on his phone. Every time he see me, he dress up in a some nice clothes, jacket and tie, but guess what? Upper clothes them.
Who?
Hey.
Who for?
Politics, man.
No,
Man, I gotta go do something.
I neighbor closing thief, and I'm bridging, you know. I'm bridging woman washing clothes them and put them on the line and him waiting like
Lord.
Alright, mommy, I gotta go.
yes, he wait till night and
Later, baby.
thief them
Alright,
off.
I call later.
And dress
Love
up in
you.
night, me see me face them as some good, nice, decent Christian man. And to me love God, me think him a one God fearing man. See as when he come round me, some Christian song, you know, the dirty drunkard when he come round me.
What?
I find thiefy people them clothes put on and dress up nice. Me feel say some decent, respectable gentleman me ever get one good, nice, God-fearing man now. Wolf in a sheep clothing. Me think say one man will love God. And the devil himself for hell.
Lord, them tell you, so the devil is the best disguiser.
And the man that has some bread and money can't give me them time, them me not get pregnant female. The time I check him and check me and I me not know, you know.
Lord.
The man walk and broke people place. Him broke how much his shopping God, prison how much his time and me never know. So, you see me daughter father when me tell you about a big time criminal and me never know. Big old dirty thief in got prison 2019 time.
So how you bad so lucky? May I hear you talk 250,000
Yes,
first?
in thief and money me no know say one thief me take up, but God know me say if me no poison him, sit me wrong. Like police, them tell me what to do for catch him, you know, man. Choose some floor, cause the policeman, me out tell you that me daughter didn't know. The policeman tell me say, me feel put some powder or flour. You know, powder when you bed and you nice up and sleep. Me feel put some powder on the floor, right round the bed. And me daughter stay down and one of her auntie. Her some relative.
She can come to me.
Yes. And if you act like me they sleep and tell him say, when Kanye they call me, and me they answer my phone. That are the trick. So, when me they hear from when me not they hear.
Oh, silent the pan.
Me fit put my phone for silent. And put it down beside me because I want silent in coming and needs me to sleep and ring my phone. That's if anybody ring it while in my teeth, me things them, me not frightened now wake up when they ring out. So put it on silent and lie down and act like me they sleep. No open up my eye. Set one little camera in the place. Yes.
And that you feel yes?
Yes, coming more in foot big. In teeth and in foot big. So only him alone I go come in here. Nobody else come in here more than him and my daughter,
And I know she.
So me I go left my daughter either down a few yards.
Yeah, man, she welcome.
Yes. And put the powder upon the floor and make him walk in there.
Lord
so
God.
the police them I go catch him one next time. Somewhere anywhere me see him on the road and when he say I know him, cause them all come, take the measurement and the footprint where he left in the powder right around the bed, And if you set the money back the same place when thief from out of the pillow, under the bed. So him kind of a style, we come in and come here always, either left the door open and...
At home you there?
To me, always left the door open and me one in there, and in there say, people will come in for me. Me go cut one key and give. Who tell me if you do it?
No.
So me I do my cousin. Me I go set back some money right there, so.
Not too much.
The money when me forget where
yes.
Get down the road, the partner money for a long time. Give me that or something buy some grocery and set the rest another day. And act like me dey sleep. Making con thief, cause his footprint I go in at the powder. And the police them I go come take picture of it and everything and measure it and then make him tell him say me and him a go for one date on it and tell him which shoes if he wear and that style. Then when time me call the police them now. Like me came out on one date and and go in a one bathroom tell say me soon come place the order and make the waitress go and serve and then go in a bathroom go make it call and call the police make them call lock him up and me want him hear the same shoes me tell him how to dress.
Yeah man.
And then I go take the measurement of the shoes. The shoes print the print. Remember saying footprint about it there,
Yeah man.
And me know in line no say I know him.
But from them have him print them, have him.
Recognize the police so he tell me how to line up it and the camera everything in the on camera.
Nobody chat
no. Nobody set him up on the camera.
Nobody chat
anyway, cause.
Because we never realize how you're so good, you're such a good, God bless you, have got through all of them the thing. We all look for the scene.
Go come here now. In general, he know when to come. Thief know when to walk.
But he not touch you. He not lick you.
No, say one thing with him, he not put me hand for me because he want me things say, love me to you want come thief me things then. He a thief on one TV and come put it up here. Same by me gift.
Lord God, you have to care for police who come for you and know what make.
Same by me gift. I walk me, they walk down the hair. Me walk down the area there so. I hear some people they talk say, Miss Jane. You know you want to name your Jane down the road.
Yeah man.
Miss one 25-inch TV.
Jesus.
Yes.
And then you're saying Samsung to you?
Yes.
No, so what you doing the way there?
Get rid of it. Me tell the police and if you don't on station.
And then you do right.
Yes.
You do
but
right.
But me no want shame. Me tell the police if you just tell the lady, cause me tell him who, and sitting and then we come find out one gear back the TV. Me tell the police if you not tell her cause me no want them come beat me half.
No, because like you work with them and I do the thing.
But let me tell you something, me talk too much and I remember correct me more and lie down, so you have to go get your yard.
Alright. You just
put
be careful.
Food for me or so I little drinks cause me hungry.
Me down here things so everything alright. Me I called me to look for you.
You get me ignorant. You know, come give me for me, I'm going to your yard.
All the food you want me for, me I come for little support, me come for check you and see everything alright.
So me a chat and me, do you have me truth or me have little water?
So you not feel when me let you up. You know how you tell me.
Next time when you come and me you carry some food come and some juice.
Well now, me know say you're hungry, me will carry some food for you.
Yes, sir. But I know, look how although she and my cousin, she just when they sit down and chat, hungry, kill me. Everything when me name the worm, they in my belly, in my mouth, back and now she come make me stress out myself and pay chatting. She love people business. Now come back here unless you have sitting thinking me. Me can't take money in a man. Put the telephone and sitting, she come for beg, but through me this a chatter out, so me now want she beg me nothing. That's why me make sure I say, me make sure I say, me just have to chat and chat. She love listen people business too, And me have one money we could have given me daughter, but true she sit down there so. If that I say me nah no money, me have to go call her and give her one money. Say back a hat me, Jesus. Help me. Why?
Whoa. Sexy. Woo.
So you're asking me here?
Mama, right now, the age don't really matter, you know, because for your boy age, you know, I'm boy, you know, say you're a big woman having ear. Looking good, no like
What
that.
do you think maybe?
Give me a 360.
Eh?
Huh?
You know me age?
You look like you're about 20, 22. Another one.
I say 20, 22.
Huh?
So me at 15.
Huh?
15. Anyways.
15?
Yeah.
Turn on. 15, I look so.
Yes. Anyways, beg your money no?
Damn. I don't want to know your mama.
Why?
Because if you're so hot, your mama must hotter.
So my mother feel me pan pay breast milk.
Oh.
Yeah.
How should I go?
Yeah. Cause when she done, I she feel
So you have a
she
boy,
just
you have a
rub
boy,
this
you have
one
a
on my back
boyfriend?
or so.
You have a boyfriend?
No.
So why your mother make you pierce your nose and a piercing?
Me don't know. I just ask her, I tell her some like it and she said I can do it if I want and she give me the money.
I pick me when I have sex with them something. You know.
I'm not half sex, I'm a virgin.
Oh, you're a virgin.
Yes.
What you say, you want money?
Yeah.
I like the ghetto youth, them, you know. I like when time, you know, 15, yes, nice and wonderful. You can buy some sweetie. Just buy some bubble gums, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, no problem. You're looking good, yeah?
Yeah.
Keep it up. I only hope you're doing the right thing. Yeah, and no man, you hear? Keep the dirty girl. Alright.
Boy, thank God the breeze cooled down little. How you feel now? You can come out little ear.
Feel alright, you know, man. Me good.
Good.
I give them time.
Soon.
Wow. Oh Lord. You didn't get up? It's not really full at the moment, you know? Pretty girl like you. What are you doing? What are you doing on here? Walking around?
Oh, where you say this name?
It's kidnapped.
Oh, me did say right name, but it don't look like
You know, full. When it's full, it's sweet. It's like when you're sweet, you know, it's gonna sweet like you, right? So, you know,
it.
like
Already it.
I tell you, but when it's full, you're gonna enjoy it.
So me can't name me so.
No, it will bind you. It give you hard bones.
And that's something good for me, you know. You don't want me.
It's sweet when it's sweet, but now it's sour. Bite it, and you will see what I'm talking. See it? Yeah.
Wait a minute, pick it.
Ah, you lick the right spot. Yeah. A woman like you would have take up, you know, married you, take care of your mind, you.
Cuz, can I have a word, please, with my cousin? Come here a second. Come here a second.
And sucker all out of your penis.
No man, they like the sweetness of my penis. They were
Cuz, come
there
in it.
bouncing on it, you know.
Hmm?
They were there bouncing.
Oh.
Yeah. Cuz, him a old crook man, you know.
You know
Him just, yeah man, him just full of sweet mouth. You would jump out a frying pan in a fire with that. Nobody look on that man. All him have is sweet mouth. Him is a thief and a genial.
Yeah.
I remember you told me say you look already.
Hello.
Hey, I'm talking to my cousin privately, you mind?
No,
Big
listen,
people talking.
when you're on government road, it's not privately. And I'm not a thief. I am a hard-working man. And I work on a beach in Collect US. I am an
Collect
entrepreneur.
US, cuz.
As
Collect
well.
US. Him no work.
I collect my money in US because I am an entrepreneur. I sell art craft. I sell everything. You see all the stone here?
He
Look,
can't
you
make
see all this
dollar. He
stone?
can't make nothing.
I wash it off properly and I color it and sell tourists.
All rock stone.
Tourists don't have no sense. When
Don't say that.
No, for real.
See what kind of man
Anything
me
you
make?
color and sell them, you make money.
A genial discourse.
What you mean? Stop saying that. You have to be careful of where you talk about people, you know what you
No,
mean?
I mean overall, like mad. Me never say them mad, but you can color anything and sell them. You can even color the back look. You don't buy one color back look.
It's a
Of
con
course, if it
artist
look
that.
good, me I buy it.
To do what?
People buy what they like. You can't say they don't have no sense. Where you say that for?
You would have buy this if I color it?
If it look good and me like it, you can't tell me
Con
something
man
about it.
this.
Alright. Anyway, so you never know.
What you want?
I am alright. My name is Jay. I am single.
Your name who?
Jay. But you can call me Henry. I am,
Jay.
Yeah.
And call him.
You know, say anybody who me know name Jay, them always act like the devil's child.
No, this
I
is
did them.
no.
Follow the sign.
No, you
pause.
need to
follow the sign.
Iowa.
So
Yeah,
what did Jay mean? I'm
All
a
right.
family, don't mind her.
Let me tell you, my name is Jay. Let me pronounce it. The J is for justice,
Hey.
So your right name
and
is
the A is for ability,
Show backside.
right? The Y is for you. Justice, ability, you.
Show backside.
You know,
So what that mean?
your affections.
It mean justice and ability, and you mean affection. Me can't, but I know
This
Jesus.
is how
Where
idiot
you
you
come
talk
from?
to. Hey.
Wait.
Because you really are wasting breath.
All right. Just explain yourself and tell me what you want. Because me stop on as picky guinea. You come. First of all, you don't know if you approach yourself to someone. You
No.
come and it's like me don't know where you chat because I don't understand you.
All right.
Let's
What
try
your problem?
twat.
What you want?
All right. Let me put it clear to you. I have my own business then, if you want to know the truth.
You want your own
Rockstone.
business.
Paint
Yeah.
rockstone.
Okay.
I own a car mart, right?
You want a car man?
Yes. I own a car mart. And hold on, a business customer was calling me right now. See that? They're calling me. Right? They're calling me for cars because my car been selling like crazy. I call it like you, as I tell you, you has been pumping.
Think you work on
What
the
you not
beach.
say?
Trust me, I can show you my honest work. I can bring tomorrow if you link up with me. I show you what's in my pocket.
Hey.
So you don't really take out the whole of your money them and show me?
No, I wouldn't show you the whole of the money, but I will show you a cutter,
How you call so?
a Kyle.
Oh.
You know, because the girl them say when them say money, them pum jump.
So you look at me, big woman, and tell me say if you
No,
take out
me
your
not.
money and show
You
me
hear?
that happened to me.
No,
Him
me not
think
say
you're
that.
frightened, cuz. Him think say you're frightened.
No,
Like
no,
I
no.
Can I
hear.
leave now?
Sure,
Of course
sweetie.
you can
Give me
leave.
number though, so we can talk.
No matter waste
take
your
my
time,
number. Take my
cuz.
876-347-9470. You can call me, okay? You may take your leave.
You want my number?
Yeah.
Me know say me not have no phone. Me think like how you have money, you can buy my own phone.
We got no problem with that. I will buy you an iPhone 25.
Yeah.
Me backside.
Hey.
So far iPhone did reach and me never know.
Yes! We're in
Lie.
2025. So anything I buy in 2025, it's 2025 is on it.
Hey.
And you not catch an 18
So if I even buy you a bad phone, it's bad phone 2025.
Tell me something. What phone you have there, sir?
It's iPhone
What one?
13, but I put 2025 on it
So
because
if
we
I
are
go buy
in
you the
2025.
25,
Yeah.
if I go give away him ass and shit train ribs.
Yeah,
Hey.
It's just like when you buy a car, right?
Hold on there, you're
It's just like when you buy a Suzuki.
Yeah.
You have 24 years, you know them car there. So we in 2025, so I'm going to buy a
Me
2025.
understand about the number, but listen to me now. So
Why?
iPhone 2025, I didn't hear you they talk about already or Apple.
The air is what value in the air I'm talking about.
Hey.
No. The
With
phone
the
iPhone
iPhone
25.
All right.
yeah,
If I
that-
even buy you a banger, no, it's 2025. I buy it in
Hey.
2025.
Now you get closer.
You understand? It's just like a car.
A thief into somebody phone and a style. How him have 13, a flash 13 and I get you
What's your name
25.
Jay.
J.
Yeah.
Tell us.
Ginal.
Every J when me know across is an I devil pick me. I don't know
No,
lie, I don't
no,
know lie, I
no,
don't know
alright.
lie.
All right.
You know, say you tie up yourself, you confuse yourself because you can't even hold a proper conversation.
To be a
you
good
have
liar,
no
you have to have a good
reasonability.
memory and you
You
don't know good
can't
memory.
pronounce word properly. And every minute you're gone there, so you don't know the definition and nothing at all. You call word we you don't understand it. Right now, I not even know if I didn't hear you talk already phone. We are confused. Yesterday, you come with you coming.
Good, you must sour Guinea.
The Guinea is 2025 if I bring it to you. Because it's 2025 now. It's 2005 now. So anything I give you is 2025. If I buy you this clothes now,
talking
it's
to you now.
2025.
A madman you talk to.
How old you be?
I'm just 30.
Hey.
What kind of work you say you do again?
I'm an entrepreneur.
Oh, so you do your own business?
Yes, that's what I'm telling
you have your own car mart.
Yeah.
On the beach.
So, you like me?
Yeah.
How much?
What again?
How much you like me? Like
2025.
Yeah.
You don't understand?
No?
All right. I like you a lot that I want you in 2025. I want to be with you in 2025, not 2026.
And that you mean?
Yeah. I want to be with you.
Which school you used to go?
Huh?
Which school you used to go?
Oh, Edwin High.
Which part of the school there again?
I don't remember, but Edwin High.
Lied to have memory and imagination. You know what that word means?
Yeah, you did get subject.
Plenty.
How much subject you get?
I get 15. I get
boy.
5s and 4s.
Tell me 5 subject out of the how much 20? Where you pass? Where you getting at them? 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5?
I get some 5s.
Oh, me understand.
Yeah.
At least you tell one piece of truth.
I was on the mark when you get it.
Okay, I could never
They
get
say your qualification was excellent to go on the garbage truck or even less than the garbage
Oi, sound about right.
So,
Another truth in my
But I
talk.
proved them wrong. And I own my own car business.
Okay.
I worked my backside off to reach to the top.
Here.
I hear on the top now.
I
Top
sweat a
hour.
lot.
Top hour.
When you say I go buy the phone for me again?
Can be anytime.
Okay, so like home, I don't have no phone.
Take my number and call me.
I don't have any phone. I want you to buy one phone for me, please.
Tomorrow I take it.
You know, make no sense me take your phone, my sister, and go make me use her phone and call you. Me always borrow.
Give her the number. Take my number.
No, I don't want she.
Want
I
me,
want
I
you
go
call
take
me
Puff
and a she you
number
get. Me want you call me personally on my personal phone.
Hello,
So
listen.
buy one phone and
You
call
see,
me and give
you
it
see,
to me.
with Uno nowadays in 2025, Uno never yet have phone. No matter if a man just talk to Uno thirsty, Uno have no phone,
Me never
Uno
tell you
want
say me
clothes,
thirsty.
Uno want hair, Uno.
I saw you look somebody.
When you're looking, when a man talk to you, no want nothing. A man like that do not want nothing on the first
that
time.
bother you? That
It
shouldn't
bother
be a
me.
That shouldn't be a bother to you. No.
No, you shouldn't ask for things when they go on a date for the first time.
When I go on a
Hey.
date, you just meet me and tell me say you can buy one phone and you give me 2025 Apple.
Oh.
So me ask if the phone and when you can give me a figure.
Okay, tomorrow.
When I mean
Get to
you,
that. First thing tomorrow.
you say you buy one phone for me. Me I'm gonna use the term of if you can buy one phone. You don't tell me say you go give me one
I'm
phone.
gonna
already.
get to the 16.
But you act like me just get up and see and beg you.
25 to 16.
No, it's 2025.
It's
It's
gone down to
16.
16.
Should understand.
Which one of the iPhone you go buy for me?
16.
16 what? Just 16 so
iPhone 16 Pro Max 2025.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So when me
Why
can
are
see
you
up,
funny?
Me I'll go somewhere with my sister now. When me can
I live right there, so anytime you feel like you're ready for me to bite, you can just come.
You
here
know
and
where
check
for
me.
so
walk
me have
past.
to come in your yard to get one phone?
Huh?
Me have to come in your yard to get one phone?
So you expect a man to just take up like 200,000 to buy an iPhone 16 and just hand it over?
You see how long me
And then
the years
that's
when I
it.
talk to you nice and decent.
Hey.
Like I said, me I give you too much free time to talk.
In
One
things,
heap
so
of
I'm gonna
foolishness
buy
to
you.
me. So me must come in your yard to get one phone.
No, me never say you're gonna have intercourse, sex, or
Hey.
like that. I never said
So you
that.
can't see me anywhere. So why sense we come here? Me no idiot.
I have
So you no can-
champagne and I
No,
have
me no drink and me no smoke. You can't see me anywhere on the street and give me the
I
phone.
have juice.
Me no
Yeah.
thirsty and me no
A
hungry.
and share no picnic.
Excuse me, I'm gonna be
Come.
alright.
Come. Oh, crow.
Oh, God.
Hey.
All right.
You see a puzzle?
Maybe I try to find my next word. I just 4 words be fine.
I'm a 4,
My
2,
5.
4, 6. You're fine.
Oh.
Me right is 7. Anyway, my baby. I never remember to tell us to me find one new man.
Who?
Me find one new man.
Who that is?
Some man will take good care of me pan the you know, pan the avenue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, mommy.
Hmm?
So, when you come here, I can make him come meet.
Your birthday gone, you know? You're 16.
Yeah, me know.
So me can talk to you and tell you stuff. You're not a child anymore. You're 16.
So, I know that me say.
They say they ain't give no consent to do whatever when you're not 16. But me think they should have wait till you're not 21. Anyway.
Me I said to you, say, when him a come here, that's the can meet him.
He did say I go come here sometime this since evening, yeah, but me not seeing it. Me not know if he still a come around tomorrow, but
Okay.
girl,
Okay, mommy.
buy me one iPhone.
Wait there. Let me see it, mommy.
But me not like, he should have asked me which case me want and he tell me lie. But me just take you know, cause me never have no phone. Me can't even take you. He tell me say I go buy me iPhone 2025.
Mommy, no iPhone. Mommy, which iPhone name? iPhone 2025.
But this is iPhone 14, me funny.
Mommy, me, at least I find one man where they spend for you. Me happy. Yes,
I
mommy.
tell online sound like in general lie, but they all thief in thief the phone here.
Well, if he thief you, at least I get a phone number. Say the man where did have first, mommy. He never did a thief nothing come game with a thief from you, mommy.
That's true.
Yes.
But me not like thieving things, you know.
I
So you see any of me finance a thieving thief this?
Give me
Me
back.
done with him and me a cut him off and me a sell the phone or give to somebody or me a share on my station, you know. Me not unite with him.
Oh.
But to the way man talk to sound like he have money,
How
he
that
say he
is?
have car mart and he have
Who
I
does?
don't know.
Cuz. Hey.
I.
Well gone, cuz. Well gone, my family. On the good.
Yeah,
Yes.
man.
Boy, just
Yeah,
come off for
come
the
on,
road.
Mark.
And alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lots the house feel bright and nice and big smile, all teeth are shine.
Yes.
Hey.
What good news you have, cuz? The teeth are shine. Want some of the money? Cacafot! What? Where you get this, sir?
I find one new man.
Ooh, for real?
Yeah.
Nice. Him obviously have money. So when you meet him,
get one new phone.
when you meet this a nice man.
I don't want to go through the time when I meet him or whatever. I just want to say he might treat me good and he look alright and everything. And cute and if you see how he is, them look nice and cute. And the cutest man never talk to.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which part in them I'm not call him?
Him promise me, you know, say, buy phone, can buy the phone to me and he look like he don't remember to put him number in there. So he did say my phone check me. So maybe.
Mommy,
what kind of man give your phone and not put in number in it though?
don't laugh. This is serious.
Here, the phone never set up good yet, I don't know.
Hold on.
Or he must believe saying he give me phone number so he might expect me to call him, but he might go phone up for me and so I can't take his number that time there. Maybe you don't remember, I not tell him, I know.
This man don't remember.
He's only a fool man with a door.
No, he have money, but...
Hello?
He have money, but...
Because somebody at your door.
Who is it?
It's me, Jay.
I lie you tell.
Can't you come now, mommy?
Another cross is good at.
Mommy, and this a man is so cute. Me know the man.
And this you take up.
Mommy, me know that man. Me see him on the road.
God,
I
baby,
beg him more money and give me $30.
you're lucky not TV back from your dad. I joke here, I can come to fix something. Yeah, and I him take up for true.
Bad man, they don't in our league. They don't in our league.
So you buy me by the iPhone?
Yeah. I can take care of the whole family, you know?
Mommy, me see him. Me say I need give me $30.
Say I'm gonna give me one vehicle.
And you give me
I'm gonna give your
$30?
mother a BMW.
And you give me $30?
Huh?
And you give me $30 when
No,
I
before
spend
you
the road?
beg me money, you never specify what you want.
How you can talk now, sir?
Huh?
How you can talk now?
How?
And when we meet you on the road, that pure foolishness you chat.
Because I was pretending, honey. No, I show your cousin the class of man I be. I can take care of her bills. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Without no more chatting, isn't it? So you have a problem. Why didn't you tell your cousin that you were looking me the last time?
Hey, done the lies there, sir. Me, I look you, no, cause
Yeah.
if this year really decide to take up,
No, you can't do
I'm
that.
bringing it.
Remember say anything I want to give me, and remember say certain things me never have it. I remember I tell somebody I feel sick and everything when I did come up here the other day and so I him give me money to go that. So right now I feel alright, my good man.
Well,
Me
happy
stop
for you,
hurt
mommy.
me, my foot stop hurt me, and me not feel sick again.
Me happy for you. I hope
Me
this
tell him
one.
same. I
hope you're not thief.
The only thief I'm gonna be thieving is taking care of your mother.
Oh Lord.
Every little thing. Send you back.
Me
Send
tell
you
him
to
if
school.
him have the money because me tell him
Pay
say me
for
go
the
to
school
hospital.
fees.
Cause
Buy your clocks.
me tell him say me go to hospital. He said no, private doctor.
My baby have to go to
He
private
can go
doctor.
private doctor.
So why you buy me mother phone? Why you never think you
medication.
put
So what
your
job you
number
really
in there?
do?
No, I trust
What?
So I
Wait, remember saying never give me a number.
Oh, my number is simple. It's 876-347-9470.
Oh.
So exactly what it is that you do that have all this money to look after my family?
Oh, no, you're interested to know?
No, because you was chatting gibberish.
Me save it.
You was chatting gibberish,
You know,
and
me
it's
save
my
it as-
family.
Let me see the time.
Sweetheart.
Oh, my God.
Lord God.
Hook, line, and
So
sinker.
you're my sweetheart.
Yeah.
No one say I'm a family man, so they say they just don't want nothing bad happen to me. You know, them just don't want me pick up no teeth.
Especially
So
the
what kind of
teeth
work you
engine
do?
now for
Huh?
her.
What kind of
Yeah,
work
you
you
didn't
do?
answer that one.
Oh, it's too small. You won't
Where just
understand the word.
No, me say what kind of work you do?
Oh, just
I'm an entrepreneur.
How you spell it?
Huh?
How you spell it?
Entrepreneur?
just make him stay.
I know for sure entrepreneur
No,
called.
he can
No,
stay.
you don't know the foolish argument with him that tried to the mother out of the street.
No,
The
look here,
man couldn't put a sentence together.
Remember, say a 10 subject here, I can more than spell that.
Right. That's what I was going to say.
Hey!
Entrepreneur.
You mean they
Nobody
put the
spell it.
zero before the one?
So what kind of phone you have?
Don't worry about that.
Hey!
Anyway, just saying speak.
Oh. You think you can spell entrepreneur, you know, to spell Lasker.
You say it again, and I know how to spell rat.
Rat?
Yeah.
Oh, you would definitely know how to spell rat. You can frame rat too, not true?
Can you favor one? Where name?
If you can't take this little interrogation, we're telling me the rest of the family.
Jay?
That's what we call him. But
Nice to meet you, Jay.
Yeah, when me just meet him, me used to call him Jay, but now him and my sweet heart.
Listen.
Look on his heart, then when me put beside his name. That means him and my sweet
Yes,
heart.
mommy.
Wow, I like that.
I say I reel you in, cause I say I reel you in.
I'm gonna take it for dinner right now.
You're gonna take me out
Just
to
for
dinner?
that. Yes,
Mommy, I spoke for mommy.
But the whole of me just stretching them here out.
You don't worry about that. We stop at one of those fashion store and get some clothes.
Victoria's Secret.
It doesn't matter to me. The price is not mine.
As to this one,
and you can buy one Gucci dress soon.
Alright, mommy.
The one I made show in the store the other day and you say you like
no
it.
problem. I can control that.
Go on and come back, mommy. We go there here.
You can't buy things in here alone, you know?
Mommy, me no want nothing now.
They're very cool. They're very
No, look
You're
how my cousin Marga. You say you're looking after everybody. You have to look after my cousin too.
If you want to come,
Babes,
no.
you have to buy one cup for me, cousin.
Oh, I can get him a deal.
Yeah, no bother with that.
Rooster, like one fowl, one chicken for them cook. You don't know so they call rooster cock.
That's yeah.
Yeah,
You have to buy food for my cousin too, because you're hungry and Martha.
yeah. And then I'm like bill one pay, and then me did want my water rate and my rent to pay, and
Flow for pay too.
me did have one shall I go?
What?
One shall I go?
One shall I go?
What's that? You don't know what that mean?
No.
I rich people don't know there's something there. One shall I go mean me did like one suit me have. One suit and everybody saying that the one suit.
Oh.
Where me I go?
Don't worry about
So you have
that.
to
I
go
take
buy
you
me
shopping
something.
and you take up what you want.
And for my baby cousin too.
I mean, never go on clinic and you did promise me say I go buy me some,
I can book tickets.
buy me ticket.
Oh, yeah.
But you go buy me ticket. I don't have no passport.
No, I can carry to look about your passport.
Mommy, time me
Don't
feel like
worry
if we go up and anything and go talk about that. Can you know, say talk about it with
No,
me?
no want to talk about the which part of the because
No,
me
we
want
talk
to
about
carry
that
me go.
over the dinner.
No, talk which part you
No,
can go
because
make me
witness
family
is
them hear
good.
because
Okay.
And then there's witnesses to remind you of what you
know which
say.
part you carry me go.
I'm taking her to the Italian cafe on the beach
Okay.
On
road.
the beach road?
Yeah.
You know, I'm no one go there, sir.
Candlelight dinner.
You eat tonight?
Yeah, grilled
Oh,
lobster.
God.
Go on, mommy.
So,
And you're gonna...
but me not be the soup for them.
No, don't worry about that. I have shower. I have hot water shower.
Jesus Christ, mate.
I don't mind the frozen.
Mommy, come and smell it, mommy.
Huh.
Lord, mommy.
Come.
You have to go buy me one Gucci perfume.
Yeah, mommy, you go get
Alright,
it. Go on,
let's
mommy.
put the dinner for another night. Huh?
Because we can say something
Come
to
on,
you
let's
first.
Mm-hmm.
Give me a
No,
minute, please.
stay with.
Alright.
Yeah,
I'll
no,
give you a
stay with
minute.
her. Please,
Okay.
thank you.
Okay.
Thank
No
you.
problem.
Thank you, Mr. B. Mr. B, Matt. Habubsi, right?
Yeah?
Habubsi. You're not really serious about that.
Me not married him.
But you're not serious about that.
Me kinda like him to him and give me money, but me don't want them the kind of man then.
Okay.
Why?
How many things say your head, you drop down and your head take you.
Mommy, what is wrong with the man? He might go take care of mommy. Better you take
I be a barefoot pants in wear. And big shirt.
You really must have.
He not dress hot.
You can't just him up.
No watch
So,
material things, girl. You know, sister, something wrong with the story. If you stop and listen, we have 2 ears and 1 mouth.
Let's go
Stop
in a
and
room now,
listen.
mommy.
Something
Let's go.
right.
Yeah, go?
Me I care about something serious.
Alright, mommy. Let's go
Aye.
in a room. Cousin, if I want me, go in a room.
Alright. Because just be careful, cause something not right with him.
Me not do
Me not trust him.
He ride my car.
3 word. Me not trust
Me
him.
ride my car.
Do what you have to do.
Yeah.
Me not like him.
And me I come. Me I go left now.
Clear. Can't even make you talk to your family.
No, you not tell me that. You tell me say me fi come. You say me fi come down a lab when you done. Me you know hold a conversation there. Me I come.
Don't even make you talk to
Alright.
your family. Dogs, bruh. That is a different kind of possessive pause. Me beg 1 minute for talk to your family and they can't allow you that. Be careful. Yeah, man, be careful. How these people I forgot feel. Like, cause,
Come in.
you can come.
Yeah.
What happened?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Why? What a rain.
During the fall, man, make it hurt, get like a coolness, you know?
So how it go last night?
Nice. Alright, man. I enjoy myself.
You take your Burger King?
Me never want a burger. I'm not really fussy for them something. Me name them too much. I want hotel where they go. All inclusive. Buffet style. Where you can pick and choose and refuse what you want to eat.
What? Hey, you right?
Yeah.
5-star too, you know. Yeah.
Queer, who pay?
I must him. It could never me.
Okay, alright. Underestimate. That's how things are run.
Same so if you run. It have to run like that. How you want it to run?
Well, me underestimate. Me think so Burger King will carry you.
You mad.
Or maybe pie.
You look like idiot too. No, for your cousin.
He look like prop man though, cuz.
No,
So,
man.
mommy, how was it last night?
Me
You see
enjoy
it
myself.
on new shirt. I like it.
Me enjoy myself. Thank you, honey.
Yes.
Me enjoy myself, man. Him up there. Even if I lying, they tell me. Me don't care. Me enjoy myself. Me don't want no when get him money from if I thief in thief or I work for if I did film long time. Me no business. Me enjoy myself. Me good man.
Life is
Mommy, I want to know go back out again.
Me and him no plan that yet. But you don't know say from me go one time I me enjoy myself. I want to go out all the while.
Yeah.
Cause me tell you that you saw I cook pure foolishness. Girl, you should have seen me. Buffet style.
Hey,
All inclusive.
hey.
Guess I wish number 5-star at that girl. It did nice. You want to see me in a pool. Me rotted like I forced me hands go in a pool from the band. No, sir.
Like you have a nice night last night, mommy.
What? Hey, you glow. God. All when me there in the pool, you
Well,
want to
they
see how the waitress them a serve around the pool. The liquor, NSC. Combat, you. But me think when I drunk, me never drunk though. Me name sa till me turn idiot. Me never eat, you know. Me say me name.
Yeah, man, the money
All when
first.
me can't afford, I eat me buy. Me make him pay for it.
Oh.
Yeah, me order
So,
it.
mommy, I was partying there now.
Eh?
We're partying there now.
He must be tired out. Maybe he must sleep or something.
I saw you good, you tire him out.
Oh, you mean? Then he can give me them the treatment there. I mean, not fix him up good, man. How are you?
Okay.
I give him the Afi come back.
Okay.
What you talk about?
Okay.
What you talk about?
Okay.
Girl, me never hear one man chatting in Spanish. Yeah.
Locks, bro.
All gypsy. French. Yo.
Look at my chopping out.
How? You know,
Spirit catch him, baby. Spirit catch him.
Me tell you one night time. When I get like old, I me tell you.
I can't spirit.
Hey, you know why I hear him talking in French?
Mm-mm.
And
When he go in a German too.
French.
And I
Mommy,
eh?
I'm talking in French too.
You know, say when he wake up, I think he won't remember them the kind of language there.
Me, I remember when me
I
start
trained it in
talk.
a different world, you know? I go on with himself. Eh? I best time of my life, you look like.
Well, of course.
Cause the rest of girl them look
So,
like.
mommy, when me go in a
You look like the rest of girl them different
Yeah.
world. If a box of your 40 in here tonight. Which world you want going now? Me notice this, listen me I talk to me cousin you just up in the argument. So mommy, what making this? Mommy, I want to do that. Mommy, what that mean? Me want to speak French, you want to speak your backside. You're not even understanding me they talk about your mommy this, mommy that. You're not easy. When I hear time, I hear time. It's not hear time now, my love. Sorry. Hey! Why? Cause you know me they chat about. Girl!
Mommy, me I go in my room because when I talk and me do not understand.
You better go on. Cause them a story
Bye,
are bigger
baby.
than you.
Hush, hush.
This a story are bigger than you. Come out. Girl. You say the man chatting us own language.
Lord. Him pull an ugly face.
You not even understand when they chat say. Miracle. You see
The
face
face
when
twist up.
You see face when we left from here we don't go up at the hotel. I want totally different
Yeah,
face.
man. I saw you know you hold him.
What? I fi come back. Hey,
True.
Jenna.
Second, third, and fourth.
All right.
So what go on with him now?
Well, girl, you swing time him hand at the NSC and him get down on it.
Under the Hennessy and everything
Just
else.
ask me for the account number. $3.5 million, girl.
What? Him send you?
It gone in my account.
Lord God, girl. I saw it sweet.
Me done.
I
You don't know.
Hey! I want to be like you when I grow up.
Say, me done with broke life. You see all this house here? Look on it. You see this? I come out of this. Me go build one big mansion where you can stay now when we go on a foreign because
Girl, me happy
say
for
go
you.
look about my passport.
Yeah.
Come in have no passport. He said no longer than tomorrow. Tomorrow, I look over my passport and me and him fly out fast.
Wow. Definitely underestimate. But be careful,
he said
you know.
the woman when I chat to him, I dump that because I never get nothing nice in our life.
Hey, but seriously though, cause seriously, me happy for you and everything, you know, cause. But you have to take it easy, you know, cause.
What I mean?
No make money frighten you.
No, you know frighten me,
When I send for passport for send out for
You know frighten me, just kind of
You
surprise how me I hold so much money now. I mean, they used to hold no money. Remember, say me never have no money, you know, me meet man who give me money now. You think me not gonna take it?
Of course.
Okay.
You still have to know, you know. You still have to hold him at arm's length. No, too rushing now. Yes, give him the half to come back.
Me give him already.
I mean, no, but...
make him talking and
nobody rush and
talking in Spanish and French and different language.
Make on doing the language talk.
Yes, when you want to go around tree, you know which language in the street?
Chinese.
No, Italiano.
Hey.
Hear him. Oh, you're my bambino.
Okay. I saw it for go.
Roxanne. Hey. And when I get home, I'm gonna call you on the telephone now.
Hey! Nigeria,
yes!
I love it. I love
it. He said, I'm going to Italy for one trip. On the cruise, girl. Listen! Girl, you're good. Girl, you're good. You put on your body right, you know what say you're good. Jesus!
But on a serious level, though. You still have to have your eyes open.
Yeah, they help me
and
like
nobody rush into things.
So my eye them look like them close to you.
Is one thing is dinner and fun time and everything, no, you know. But if I talk about go up to next country and thing. So you have to kinda, you know.
Girl,
you don't know him like
myself.
that.
Me don't want to know him more than how me know him. He treat me good, so me treat him back good. Me use condom, me not breed. And me not catch no disease. And he alright. And he smell good, he don't smell bad. I'm making wear the best clothes. We go in a store, go buy nice clothes and put on and we go a hotel. Laundry. You want to see me?
Wow. Me secrets.
I lift me up out of the pool and carry me go straight into the room.
Woo! One girl for freeze off.
No man never lift me up and me feel so nice.
Nice, that's true. What? Nice.
I say you have me. Friend of Canada. To the Canada. Funny machine. Hey, me say funny dresser. And then you know in the hotel, a two bed, you know, but then join them together. Yeah, see you want to see with the roll kind of big so.
What? You know plenty rolling room. Roll, JJ, roll.
Yo, girl, yeah, you know it's something about position. Hold up your head and cock out your bottom. Yes! Amazing!
You turn bed and make it hold on strong.
Ooh, that me say. You want to see man slap up my jaw? Oh, this is for me. Ung lang, ching lang, pung lang, pie. This is for me. Bow! Me say, from the bar, me never see him go to He did it. Hear him dancing, baby, dancing. Oh, yeah, dancing, baby. You want to see me? Girl, me get wet.
Well, them the kind of food that Hennessy and everything you must get wet.
Sang them did a play in the room though. Ramp, you know, it's a cartel of the boss. Theme song them turn up. Hey, girl, me don't know my waistline no pop out.
And your waistline if you worry about pop out.
What happened? What you worry about?
What else to pop out? No, me I say something else for that
my
pop
waistline
out.
Alaska, it can't pop. Oh, cause all the next day me think say my waistline was at me and that time I'm ready for wine. Oh. And he love it too. We enjoy ourselves.
Girl, must love it.
All if you not come back and look for me again, I'm not see him back again. Me enjoy myself.
What you had.
And remember, something saying send 3.5 million in my account and say me good.
But be careful,
me
you know.
Give you some money. Me I go give you some money.
Thank you, cuz. Thank you. But be careful, cause how am I give you such a big greed of money, so I'm on the first date.
I don't busy
No,
get it from.
man,
I don't
me happy
care.
for you and everything, but something
You don't see your life hard.
something fishy. Yeah, man. And the
Me
first
always wonder why.
those...
No. Listen.
Cause, man.
Yeah,
You have to
cause.
look both
You want me to
ways.
stay in a broke life?
No, I'm happy for you. But take it, yes.
All
but
the life
open
I
your
paid,
eyes at the same
me
time.
eye they open, they no
Me
lock
know,
there.
me know. But nobody
Look,
make him frighten
You
you.
know, frighten me all my life. I pay a broke man, I pose up themselves
Me
in
know,
front of me.
man.
And me pray and beg God
Me
to
know.
send one man come in my life where we take care of me, where we can support me and we're financially stable.
Mm-hmm.
And make me comfortable and alright. It look like a him this. All if I know him, me get as much.
Cause, but think about it. Remember the other chicken man that you did there with.
Who want that again, yeah, idiot?
But had money and the same thing frighten you. Make you run in and take in lies.
Well, that's why
when
I
he
go.
tell you the lies and tell you the BS.
Well, if I
you
ever
fall
one time
for
in
it.
my life, me I enjoy myself.
Enjoy yourself, yes.
Yeah.
But go easy,
All if you
man.
don't see him back again, me no business. Me
Alright, if you
enjoy
don't see him
myself.
back again, at that.
Me no business.
But you when him come with the sweet talk, still have your brain screwed.
Well,
on,
if he me no know, if he trick nobody else, well, me wouldn't call or he treat me trick if me even not see him back again. I don't care. If police even lock him up today, say a thief, he went thief money or whatever.
That yours now.
No, me don't get what me forget
Yeah,
already.
man,
Me no
yours
business.
now. Just be careful as you're moving forward.
Me careful.
Alright. You have to get back to work.
Give me an account number, because I can send
yes,
money.
baby, thank you.
250,000.
Alright.
Where your account number?
Alright.
Let's put in your phone. Give me your phone.
Alright, wait there.
Your phone, your package.
See, this is so happy for you. Yeah, you know it there.
Me know your account number already.
Oh God, cause I'm happy for you. But just keep keep the head screw on same way. Nobody screw off and screw off.
See just send.
Cause, for real, so much.
250,000.
But it's a joke, you didn't make, oh God, thank you. Thank you, Cons. Thank you, oh God.
Let me go, that's if you talk chat to him man, then we not no money.
No, but me I still have for wise though. Cause,
so I fool if you meet him and make him and give me money?
No. Me I leave my phone here. Charge it for me. Do please and thanks.
Where you left your phone and me not?
No, come here for run back to work. A thief come down, you know.
your phone with you, cause me soon gone.
Me
Go on up.
Me I come check you later, alright?
No, come.
Me can't come back later.
No, maybe me and him have to go out. Maybe me there.
No, man, me have to talk to you.
Just call me first when I come. That's if I nothing, me just stay till you come and then me go.
Alright. Later. Congrats, but be careful, here, careful. So, cuz, nobody like you in love, eh?
Mommy.
Hey, cuz, are you should I helping your mother like this, you know?
I made it. Take off the clothes there.
Yes. And run gone?
Yes. You want me help her, mommy?
No, me love, me soon got helper. Me not bother pull them up. Me forgot say me man come here today.
Where your man come and do, mommy?
Living, of course.
Yeah!
What do you mean living?
You can live
Living?
Yeah, I can't live here. I'm happy.
How are you so happy and
I
jitty?
can't live with me till me build the house. Me tell her say me build a house.
Because mommy get company now. He don't need me. Me can get to go out with my friend them.
And you can get anything you want.
Yes, I'm going to get
No, hold on. Stick a pin. Causes. Moving already. But you don't know him like that.
And that's why them have a bill a band.
No, cause you don't build a band first.
Band.
Listen.
I found no music
you know him
play.
like that. You know him like that.
We not play no music. We don't want no band.
You have a young daughter
we don't want no
band. I have no problem. I want to get to know my
Where you talk? Wedding band?
All that to first,
no,
but me not say. Alright, me not rush
so
the wedding thing.
So you don't believe in a love at first sight?
Cause, seriously.
Love at first sight?
It's not even a month, you don't know each other and moving. You know if him is a murderer, you know if him is a wife beater, you know if him is a rapist, you know if him is a thief, you know if him, you know him.
So, me I feel
cause you really make strange man moving part on a two woman.
I don't know if anything my daughter wants, she can get it now.
Well, me not worry about myself. You are right. Me happy. So about time me ma come.
And me did tell him if you buy one laptop for you and he said
more iPhone too.
and the shoes we did ask for. When him again? Where the shoes name again when me see on Amazon where did I tell me say what it look like? When name the I know something there. Wait, no.
Air Force?
No, I know Air Force. Wait,
So
I know say I want the
this
shoes and I tell him. But me tell him.
I buy in a house this now.
Yeah, talk about. You see this? Me soon come out of this and me tell you a million times.
Another house.
We are going to buy some material next week and we are going to build with us, but we just have to go and stuck in this until. Me want you to stay with me because
me happy for her say she finds somebody that she like and everything, but me just think her too so moving already.
Yeah, me want you to stay with me.
She look on her.
Them the
She
kind
a
of man
farm
there.
up now. You want strange man
Them
moving.
the kind of man that will give me so much money and I give me everything when I want. Me don't want to stay too far from me because me don't want to get
not
take him away.
stay too far. How you tell me you make him speak ching chong hong kong fong hong?
Mommy, I miss
He must still stick with you.
Me know about
you have to move him
in. You don't understand. Them kind of man, they don't make them stay loose on road because they will miss them. Girl will take them away, deeper money with them, where them man spend on girl.
Can't take him where how you describe you control him, man.
No,
girl
man,
can't take that.
Am I man? Am I man? Me not care where I say am I man.
Yeah, mommy did in here talk about how ching chong chong you did happy.
No say that word there.
Alright, big people talking.
Don't say that word there. Cause if you know me have to go up on me head top. Me mean, if you know how me have to sit down on the dining table and I eat me food and the fat did that joke me in my hand and me have to attack different something.
Alright, joke her hot too.
Yeah. Right here, so the fat joke me and he did a look for me funny for me and he all dress it for me. Yeah.
Feel it for you too.
Yeah.
Mommy, my fat joke me too.
What?
Yeah.
Nobody make that the fat they joke you. You're mad. Who come sit down right here?
You make fat joke you.
Them the fat that you don't want joke you, me love.
Too hot for you, baby girl. You're too young. It's too hot for you. That the fuck a hot poker here.
What if I joke me right
So fuck. You know what? Hot poker.
Too hot. And you will ball. You will holler for your man.
Mommy, I'm not gonna ball.
Really? Not even what's
Are you serious about moving though? I'm frightened.
How could I cause this? You don't understand what moving means.
Swallow my spit.
Look here.
Moving.
I make it choke your cousin.
We are going to get helper to start out the place and fold up them clothes. I mean, now but I fold them up tonight. I fling them aground when the two of we are sleep on me. Fling them aground. Throw them over the corner over there. So when we go look helper tomorrow. We not throw them away. When the helper come, she take them up.
So you can put the L up at top and him put the L on bottom.
What you say? What that you say? And 9 and 6 you say? Let me turn it around the other way.
Yeah, get yourself in trouble.
What they do? Who for head down and bottom and who for head that? Who you ramp with? Mind what you doing? Put on clothes pan then talking the way I make it.
But I see you go dash the clothes and I go. You can't dash it clean clothes.
Because we want space.
I do what?
Explore. You like clean down your place and so that me mean.
I can't clean down your place in the night.
What make people clean anytime?
They go explore in the night. What kind of explore go do?
Like a bomb. Down in Iraq where you go. Oh. So when you run in your room, you better shut your ears and lay down and sleep.
Put on your headphone at night time.
Because me notice that too because you're 16 now, you're going like you're a big woman, you know. Oh, ramp with me.
It is a consent.
Fidua. Fi make fat joke you?
Yes.
You don't realize when you get in trouble, keep your mouth, no man. She gonna lick you. Me don't want you to get in trouble, man. You know what I'm saying? You know fat joke you. Head arise.
No. Anyway, I don't want things concerning in my room.
It's alright, me just about to say me I gotta leave and no Cupid.
Me want a little privacy, me and him go talk something.
Oh, seriously though, on a serious level. Go on before your mother beat you.
Me nah laugh, you know. You see you little girl? Go and sit down and take up your book.
Right.
Okay.
But think about what me said though, cuz.
Eh?
Think about what me say.
What me think about?
Moving already.
What that have to do?
Spend 1, 2 nights and 3 nights, 4 nights, and I can go about in business and come. You must make people hungry for you, know? You must make people hungry for you.
Make him move in with me.
Aye, but when he move in, he not go hungry no more.
I don't want him to be hungry no more, because I go full in belly.
Think
say my
about
body
it though,
big.
cause me not agree with it. It's too fast. It's too fast. And you have the young baby in the house.
Which baby? 16-year-old and she's soon 17
And
in a
the
few
big
months'
whole
time.
foot man a come. And you don't know him.
You see, remember, say she did just 15
Look how
in the
you
day
have
and a day now. You have
everything
to say
free in
yesterday,
your
you know.
house. Look how you have everything free in your house.
You know, listen what
Big
I say.
crab foot man, you don't know.
Who you call
You know-
baby? Remember, say you have to say yesterday she had 15 and she turned 16. Few months time she had 17. When the talk say, go long you yard if you don't have nothing good to tell me, because me can't find good man I can tell
Yeah,
about
we'll feel me now
moving
call
too
nothing down
fast.
for you.
Moving too
Me hope
fast.
you're sure. Me hope you know
Me
you
sure.
do.
Me sure like you see sure. Me sure.
Alright.
Me sure.
Alright, me come, me check you tomorrow.
Family them when me have them jealous and terrible.
Alright.
Sure. Come.
Yeah, baby.
Hey.
I'm here.
Boy, you come.
Yeah, man.
So,
So me, I think I did joke me when me say me a move. Cause stay
how
with
about
them.
that?
I'm a bag.
So why suitcase they come like
No,
you're
man,
comfy,
no.
you're comfy, go back home?
Yeah, me not spend enough time in a baby. Me just pack as much. I enough,
Son, Olivia, come live with me. You just come spend little time.
No, man, me I live. That is the point. Me I
So why you
live.
never bring a suitcase? Where your suitcase there?
Huh?
Where your suitcase?
My suitcase?
Yeah, we just bring one little knapsack with two little something in
No,
it.
man, nothing of this a watch, man. A whole heap of clothes in this. Plus, me can buy clothes.
Okay.
Right. We just left the mansion and say, boy, man, come stay in the baby. Man, feel how bored us feel. You know? Man, feel
So
them
why you
talk.
never carry me over your mansion?
Cause too much big dog and the dog you know get used to him. Yeah. That's why each time me have to tell her say in the process.
Okay. But me go and stay in this until me build the house where they say I go give me money.
Yeah,
for
exactly.
yeah, material,
So
yeah.
once we deal with that, you're good. So where you look one day?
Sure in our room.
Call like that. Everything look neat though. Like that. Yeah.
Riri!
Yeah, mommy.
Come here.
Alright.
Wagwan, you good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, mommy. What?
That's a thing. Me just show you. Remember, I did tell you say I go come.
Mommy, look. Look on.
Me new man.
Mommy.
What?
What?
And that's what I show you. That's something.
I fear it.
Yeah,
Oh,
give me
yeah.
myself a pass, mommy. and put it
I
on.
fear it and me buy it fear.
Oh, you look nice. You
What
look
time
nice.
money where did give me? Me did buy some clothes give her.
Good. Anyway,
So, all real things.
So you gonna get the helper tomorrow? Because cause no one want helper when me the year we have to go there do one different work. Make you helper clean up the place.
all right. You know, I'm going to fear. Make it help a clean place. I'm going to give you a 1 week vacation at a villa. Now make you spend 1 week at the villa and you just enjoy yourself. You and your cousin. I'll make it 2 hours enjoy yourself.
And what me do with my daughter, me not leave her, yeah?
Now you go stay with the helper will help her out.
And where you are go there?
Me I go busy working. So
And
while
just me and my cousin go stay at villa?
yeah, man, me can check for you now and then. You don't check for you every day, you don't know that.
Me help her with Tanya, man. Me not real a fancy villa. Me want to go hotel.
Hotel will come in due time.
Make you go to hotel because she can come at hotel.
No,
mommy.
man.
Remember,
I
I
need
study
it.
for me safety.
I needed to stay at the villa with your cousin. I would come there at daytime when we don't work. I can look for you.
Okay.
Can you know, say, I'm the CEO of the company.
So, I wear a suitcase.
Why everybody asks about suitcase? Me have a nice, the bag not suitable.
Thank you for you.
Oh, this is mine.
And I don't me get it away now. I know just a coil in care. Me did have it from yesterday,
So,
but
you never give me money.
A friend
me
did
did
in a
one
night.
give him in
Last
front of you.
night.
Me did one give him in front of you.
Okay. Me like it. Thank you.
You just make me say me did one give him in front of you. Are you me one give in front of him?
Oh, yeah,
Oh.
I mistake me make cause the way me glad saying come here and chat foolishness.
All right.
All
So,
right.
your excuse, let me talk to your mommy, yeah?
All right.
You You bathe already?
No, me have bed no, mommy.
Alright, me put the shower gel in my bathroom. I can go and go bed.
Alright.
So,
So you never bathe before you come?
no, man, I'll take a
Why
shower, man. Because I'm excited to see my baby. And I remember me sending you up on a vacation
Consider me
for
here,
1
let me
week.
tell you something. I never want my daughter to hear. The Frunzy, man, look how much money you have. You can't buy perfume. So when you
No,
buy that the day perfume they give me,
you know,
Dolce and Gabbana, you now buy
you know,
perfume for yourself.
understand. When you spray up yourself too much and fix up yourself too much.
So you love me more than yourself because you buy the expensive cologne,
Yeah,
million brand cologne give me and you not buy it for yourself?
when a man loves a woman, you will buy them anything.
Yeah, but me like when you smell good like the first time I did meet you. I don't know where you get that cologne there, but it bad. Buy back that same cologne because I like how it smell.
Yeah.
I did one Gucci. Where did you tell me say again?
Banana, governor.
No, Dolce Gabbana you buy
Yeah,
in
Dolce
me. You don't know
Gabbana.
why cologne name. Me know they send it. That cologne the bad way did have on. And millions they did have on.
Yeah, you know what I'm
So
going
buy back
so
one
where's the
more.
bathroom? The bathroom is in the middle.
Where you go? So you have
I'm
running
freshen up. I'm gonna freshen up. So
Yeah,
I'll take you back to the bathroom. I'll be back. Yeah, towel, cause I didn't bring
towel
no
and
towel.
everything then I bought.
And
So where
soap?
you carry out the bag and everything?
Because yes, a towel. So I will come back in with the towel. Then
Yeah, you don't have to carry
we
that.
start out something and and the woogie,
So you not,
pop
you
some.
not carry no money with you? Cause I go want something. Remember say the money we are sending on my account to buy material and
Don't
stuff.
worry your head.
And me did give me cousin 250.
Really? So many money?
Yeah, because me can get back more from you. How?
Oh, you're right. You have a point. So here, when you done do what me I do, tomorrow when you go to the villa, you're gonna have as much money to keep you and your cousin for the 7 day. So we're gonna
You
work
have to
out
go give me
something.
different money from that. The money you know me have to buy material.
Alright, no problem.
So go and go bed.
Yeah. Yeah, me like that, I don't know you time me out, man. Me not like that.
Me not tell you, look honey. You remember me lose some ear and now you can't pay for do it.
No, don't tell me that. Me buy your iPhone. Me buy your iPhone, Me buy your tablet, right?
So?
Me send your mother and your relative them Ghana villa.
Me want...
And you know how much money that?
That's why you not get this something yet. That's why me I promise you. You can't promise me if you do me ear. No, when me ear for do it, me lose some ear. No, you cannot do it. That's why you not.
Me can do that, but you don't understand.
That's the dog. I want to talk to you.
What?
Me need to talk to you. Move now. You can't go on. With that dry head, go on, no, man.
Me a stepfather, me a protect her.
Go on, ginger flag.
Alright, me soon come up here.
Come and walk, see what you go on. You're not look up in. So you're not look up in
I'm
the
my
business.
stepdaughter, no, my stepdaughter.
So your stepdaughter company what I talk about?
No, me just a school her and I walk around and I teach her if you
And
have.
that me come to you about.
I know.
Me come to you about how you take your auntie money. And she send come to Jamaica.
My auntie money.
Auntie Joyce.
You talk about my sister, you talk? Joyce?
Yes, that's head one day.
Oh.
Where you take our money? Pa, where you take it? You feel like you want to get back now?
Huh?
You feel like a time for you to get back now?
Oh, my sister?
Yeah,
no, man, it good man. I do one project for her. So it me a work fun.
The project is to send your woman go villa. She and her sister. The project they are deal with.
Oh, you know so much.
Me know everybody business. Me want to know when you give her back her money.
So that everybody in the area a walk and say?
Yes. Say you're a thief.
So that the whole family member, are you believe that? Cause are you believe that?
Yes, say you're a thief.
You feel them with that TV?
You're a thief.
Alright, between me and you, I borrow the money if you make millions of dollars upon it.
Oh, you go make millions of dollars upon the money when you send the money gone with your woman.
Who tell you that?
Know about who tell me that. Just know say me know about it.
No man, don't do that man. Cause listen, cause me balance out the money, right? Me have a project that come up.
Which project that?
So all me have to beg you do, you see if Joyce contact your relative them too, alright, when you go back home, tell your relative them say, me I work for our things. It's just that the camera now work, me can't send out no picture of the house. Right? So when they get back in touch, you tell them and they're gonna buy you an iPhone.
You take me for iPhone?
You feel like me front of the iPhone? You think me I make you use iPhone and catch me? That now work at 2T. I say if I have my mother, but I say that do my mother, you know. I saw you with that thief, my mother money, cause you want little thief, you know. A long time I know you cause you want big time criminal. You need to stop thief.
Alright, yeah, I'm cutting a deal. I'm cutting a deal.
You don't want cut in pan no deal.
What you tell me?
You see little girl?
Oh, my stepdaughter.
Make she go school. I feel like say you're in a business with her.
Who, me?
Yes, you. Yes, me feel like say you're in a business. Me no have no evidence as yet. But me have a feeling they say you're in a business with her.
With that the girl?
Yes, that's the one. Come look up on her head and you say.
No.
So why mother gone left him?
No, the mother say she
what?
Eh?
What happened make she left her daughter and carry her sister?
Emergency. So
Which kind of emergency she gonna villa gonna cock up? What kind of emergency that?
no, mean emergency. So
Which mean emergency they have villa?
No, meaning.
Cause me pass round there now. And me say mama well cock up. You know, she me's a very business woman and me they all about. She well cock up round pool side. So what kind of business she left her little underage daughter with you?
Then me are the stepfather. What you said?
Yeah, they in a business with the daughter.
No. None of that.
By the cook me go first. I mean, I don't want no long chatting with no thieving people. Cause you're a thief. I mean, nobody fit to say me a thief with you. You know if you stop thief. Come on, know where you
I feel like you call up my name about thief, you know. Yes, sis. No, sis. Everything alright, man. The house is good, sis. Me tell you already. Say me not. The camera now work. That's why I mean, no. Send me some money now. Hold on there, sis. Hold on there. A contractor man come. Hold on. What you ask you now?
So, just say you come to contact my phone.
So what wrong with that on my phone?
Hello, me wash me hair now. Yeah, you keep on a promise me every day. They promise me say I go do me ear. Me wash me ear and do it. So now I have to do me ear. Give me the money for go do me ear. Can't just promise me every day. So and you not give me the money for do me ear. That's why me not give you none of this. You not get none of done yourself.
Listen. You see right you know. Me no feel like say me really want back nothing more again. Cause me I spend and me no see when me I get. You only have promised me. That's why me top spend until me get what me get.
Promise me too.
Then that you do me. At first I buy
Me
it.
not
Remember,
promise you. Me tell you if I do me ear, I will give you it.
I buy you the expensive iPhone. I buy you the expensive iPad. Right? Me buy your clothes. Me buy you everything. When your mother did go, me can go get seafood boil, pan top of seafood boil, till all my bill come up. So for me, have the money for me right away.
I could have paid.
The money when me give you.
No, you can't expect for the promise is a good body. And you not give me nothing. Nothing you not give me.
How me gonna know if it good? No, me no sample it, me not even see it.
Alright, do me ear and you go sample it.
Me not believing in that. And money me I try get in my account so me can deal with that. But me not believing in that.
Believe, you better believe. You go and get it.
Not do that, man. If you are running, you're running, man.
I go running, but I'm not running money, so me go run down.
And that's why I left over here, you know. Because you see my cousin always come there daytime, I don't like her, don't
She love people business too much, you know. She love people business.
Actually, you chat too much.
Because she love people business too much.
You chat too much, that's why.
Me chat too much.
So why don't left from where you are?
Eh?
Me just don't know where you can left from where you come on. That's what I do. Don't think I'm not in a business that I don't hide.
Which business? Oh, my stepdaughter. No, man, my stepdaughter.
Come on, put the ears in us. Me know say you punch your stepdaughter like you punch orange juice.
Me?
No, me.
I would wish if I say go, but not like that.
Me know say two in a business.
You don't see me and nobody in no business.
And you're the next one. Why every day you get up here top promise man things, you know? Top promise man things and they will deal with you, you know.
Yes.
They will analyze you.
Mm-hmm.
But you don't mind your own business. Me I promise no man nothing. You promise man things. But me I
Glory.
promise him say.
Glory.
You promise him say anything when you do fear with your hand this, that alone you have to promise man. And nothing else to promise man. They can't promise man no future.
You not see this a good body, yeah?
Yeah.
It's like you don't see this good body.
Yeah.
It's like you're blind. You have cataract in your eye. You come back, I want me dig it out. I want me dig out. You cataract in your eye.
You know I say, me there look for you. Me I wonder what man see for you. Me I wonder what man sip on. Why sip on you?
You don't see. Look.
What? Look. What?
Look. That's
All
it.
worm a drop from underneath you.
Where? Where you see worm?
Where?
See there.
Take up him and me see.
Me no feel like we want to take up my worm.
Take
Me don't know
up
what little maga girl like how you want to do with man.
Which
Yeah,
man?
just dry.
Which man?
Cause your man
Yo.
over your head, you know, from when you have this at your side, like you can't talk to me, Mike. I'm telling you that you can't talk to me. Go wash your head. I'll be a damn juice in that. No talk to
Oh
me.
God, cause
Smell that. What do you?
Me nah take that.
Same boat, you know what I mean? I same boat coming and see what man sip on you neither. My man sip on you.
Listen to me.
Look under you.
Listen to me.
Look under you. Go fix up on the desk.
You see under you so you look clean. Some on the girl leg no look clean. Some on the girl leg look burn up. Look, I can't show to the public. So I can't argue. Me can't want that man now
Go wash
punch
your head.
me.
Me didn't even argue with her. See, you see? Talk to your cousin. Me don't want all things she come over me I can do every day is nyam.
I tell her about her belly, you know.
I'm pies with you one day.
You really turn up on you. Move first of all, lick off your blood. Hey, move.
Cause relax the man. What you do?
Hey,
Go over.
yeah, next
Go over.
one. Move.
Go over.
Man.
Me soon contact you. Go on over. Go on over.
Me can't cuss. If like my top because disrespect me, girl, I will flatter your dirt like a fool.
Every day monkey one white
Move and lick in your back. What's a girl here? She don't know me.
Ask me that money me there, I beg.
Yeah, next one now. You come on road and make a little butterfoot. What you call her now? Your stepdaughter and your woman in a one. Cause your manga juice the mother and the daughter. You not go shame and no pride.
So, what you telling for? I can't my name and I mix up my name. And you a walk around and I tell people foolishness.
It's the truth.
No do them there sitting there. You don't do them there something there. You can't do them there something there.
What me I do? Me I talk the truth. You they do things with the daughter and the mother. You don't have no shame nor no pride.
You see you?
You. And you top thief your sister money.
Stop call up when you don't know because you will go to prison.
Me see it with me two big monkey eyes
And
there.
if you continue with that, me going to sue you because you never see me pick her cherry, you know.
Me see you.
She said she a virgin. She said she a virgin.
And there with so much man.
Allah ya tell.
And there with so much man to me, I say she a shot man and sitting there.
And
How
that
you there?
a go on.
Yes.
All right.
Yes,
Thank you.
that a go on.
Thank you for telling me, cousin.
Boy, but she a virgin. Which virgin?
Thank you for telling me, cousin.
And this a virgin. Me a virgin. Is that a virgin? I never knew you sip on her.
So the man with the BMW.
How she? Is how she?
Oh, me here say you're in there. And you have heard? You know what? Later.
One. You don't know her.
One. Yeah, alright, do it. Oh, you don't know say the little idiot man when they did that big sound. You don't know say the man they give me no money yet. Yeah, so I can't go give you no money. I didn't check me. So I'm going to be a promise.
Okay. So hold on there. I take my money.
No?
Man.
I mean, auntie, me that
And I promise me.
No.
And I promise me every
No,
minute.
I'm-
But soon here. Remember to me a virgin. And you're a man. So girl,
No, I mean, auntie, me that too.
you feel like say you can use me. You know when me get the money, they want me to give you. That's why I didn't do you here and I come in and trust you. You know where me I get the money them from? Eh? And you take your mind, man.
Me not mind no man.
Hey, yeah. You better run that way. Take it and take it. Take it and take it. You have to run put me, yeah? Don't run put me. Don't run put me. Don't run put me. Ayawa. Give me some.
We shall beat her for.
Take my money and my man.
Me didn't know say.
And
Yeah,
promise
you
me.
with her.
And promise me.
You have to put that down there for. Me not do it again.
You're going to give me it right now. Take it.
Yeah, why? Hurry up.
With a child. Jesus. Yo. Think of some of my money go. Yo, come on.
Woo! What a nice time.
Me enjoy myself.
Cause me know say you love me, you know. Me know
Yes.
say you love me.
You enjoy yourself,
Oh
too?
God, oh God. Me gonna need a holiday to get over this your holiday. Oh, it nice.
Hey, you know what it bad? When we go round at the casino, they so Lord, girl.
You want see the youth? Me did a check-in at the boat time and
Well,
everything.
you there on there, so they check man in a boat and me a licky box for 6, maybe a big money me win a $5.
And then they
You know,
interested
say
in
you
the
see
box.
I get
Me
in a-
interested in a something else box. We get all number 2.
I
And
like.
you one can find love at first sight.
What you know?
But me know say my one rich. Yeah. Me know say my one rich. Can
No,
win
let me
off
see
of the
this.
slots.
Tiffy. Me do you see this on the edge of the pool of yours?
Which part,
Funny
Steve?
fool,
Which
like-
part, if you think say you one can get things from man?
Oh, sorry, me think of one I guess them and you take up because
No,
me know you stay.
no. Which part?
Me did see one glasses, one
Which part?
one dark as like this for the edge
This a
part of the
name
pool.
brand. This a name brand. Cause see, once you see the mark on the side, the other
No,
so
me-
one
you
is
know
just
this-
plain black.
Hello.
Hello.
You
I know
notice
you
I
one
ask-
can find rich man.
ask my name, say you do it. You me see one like that around the edge of the pool on the day night.
Enough
Girl,
of mine.
girl, me enjoy myself.
Yes.
Oh,
Tidy that.
God. What a man love spend money per woman.
Mrs.
Boy, girl.
Boy.
Before me go up, my belly did big.
I put a belly now. About
No,
3
me
months,
come back,
4
me
months.
come like me pregnant. Jesus, God.
Make sure I joke pregnant though.
Girl, you know, see, me did I eat.
Make
Me
sure I
name,
do
like I
pregnant.
said, the food are nyam in Zagota style. Me name.
Hey.
Me all when me never name it, when me go on the buffet. You see on the buffet line there, so? I chew you did a wheel, you say in
Yeah,
line.
man.
Girl,
Yeah.
I name everything. All we taste bad, me taste. Me no business. Me don't go and say me taste that they am pity out. Me just want to say me taste everything. At least me can say,
Aye.
me never eat that yet and me never eat that yet. Girl, you don't see me nigga long in the grape them.
All inclusive it name, you know. All inclusive, me
Me
dear.
enjoy myself. Me
Yeah,
enjoy
man, you have to
myself.
get your money worth. Yes,
Yeah,
you have to
so-
say thank you.
Hold on.
You have to say thank you.
Here. The place silent. I don't understand. So how we come and make so much noise and Riri no come. Look around at the room if you see her there for me.
And them not tidy up the place. I think it's the housekeeper come.
But I was keep me left Riri with you. Forgot me couldn't leave her up on her own, although she was 17.
And then I do nothing. They mustn't, but they know what time we are come. Ray!
I must say, her birthday soon come again, you know. Round the corner, she's soon 17. I can't believe. Time I fly fast. Whoa, me enjoy myself. Call Riri, let me get the history. Me did put piece of cake in your bag for her when me carry from up at hotel. The piece of old villa. Me always call villa hotel.
Cause, she not in there.
What you mean?
She not in there in the room, pull mash up, the room pull up. All bird turn over and everything like the fight was going on in the room.
So she and the housekeeper did a fight?
Me no know. But she not in there, me all going to the kitchen, the bathroom and everywhere, she not in there. See the bed turn up, the side table turn up, drinks everywhere spill. Ree.
Oh, God. I didn't want to say something about that. Oh, God, good evening. Oh, I'm tired from up here. Me said the hill them big eagle.
You see me daughter down the road?
No, you know. I don't come over your boat. But I'm tired.
Which
Me
she
say me
did?
hear so now I walk come in early, you know.
Oh.
But you know walk so
You can't go call her for me.
Me say, okay, me have to explain to you. Me say,
You can't go call Riri for me, make she know
me
something
tell you
come
about
before.
Riri, me come to tell you about.
Okay, alright, yeah.
Riri and the man where you left you in a business.
What?
Come out and place.
Oh, no.
I watch it now, no?
Where your name? Where your
My
name?
name Kayla.
Kayla. Kayla, if you don't want me to have anything, after you see me good man where they take care of me, and they support me so good, you come out of my place with your foolishness. You hear me? I tell you?
Good man,
If you
I have
don't
no
want
money.
me to have anything,
Your good man, I have the money.
yeah, talk about you must be mad.
Say, I sister money in borrow.
When?
Foreign sister from foreign. The money won't give me, saying your money. The money won't take and give you, and the sister money won't borrow. Right now, police are look for him.
Whoa.
I lie.
The woman send down money for her fine to deal with her business at Jamaica and he take Yankee. Me say, listen to me. You know how me not let my son here? I can't only go to the villa, come in the villa. Me to come over here at daytime.
You know about the villa too?
Yes!
Sir, who tell you that?
Him, I'm a cousin. Oliver knows I'm a cousin.
The
You
man.
didn't know I'm a cousin. You didn't know.
Where's the man when they chat to your cousin?
It's my cousin.
Hey.
So I know. Think that yes, third day. Yes, and yes, third day, I'm come over here. Come over here for days. If I'm not going to the villa, me been a back and forth. I'm resting in a things. When the day I come over here, me hear one bag of tumble down. They must, they run, they do some things and me hear your daughter doing her room, you know. So nastiness, you know. With his stepfather, you know. Because if I hear man and I hear daughter.
Christ.
Hey, you don't want to know, say. It coming like, say, she asks him man for something. So when she asks him man for something now, she must promise him something in return. So he must not get it. Yes, third day now, me see the three of them run, me see the two of them run their fight. Me say, when I time they let me till they knock me out. Me say, no sir. You said me knock me out and me come back. Me just say none of them that to me. So the boy gone with your daughter no there. He kidnap your daughter.
Jesus.
You talk about Jesus, you think
No.
You see? Yes, Jesus. Well, they come in if you have a word with him. Because when they knock me up,
No, man, a joke here come back. I know April with you, you know. No bother with the April fool, cause I know real talk. You couldn't know.
If you feel like say lie, me I tell. Go to the road right now and ask anybody for him. Police I look for him. So you better go report on the station to your daughter missing. Cause me told them around there fighting. You know? Me say when I tell me see your daughter go to hell, let them see she jump over the bed to blow boof. Me see she get up back and run on again. When me look the man just go so bang. They knock me up when I wake up. I don't see she nor him. I don't see nobody.
Hold on. A serious thing you talk about, you not joke.
Me not joke, you see me a laugh?
Cause we are just sitting down there. Come, we have to report this.
What you want me to do?
Report it. You have to go station report
Should
it.
I have to report it?
What do you mean have to report it?
Our daughter take our man. There's nothing to report. That I got report.
Look here. Oi, sit down. So let me talk to you. I come like you don't have no head for your body. My daughter is 16 plus now. She ain't about 15 and 16.
No matter how old she is, still your baby.
You don't hear what me saying. You're not even listen but you can't tell me if you go down a station. Me not go down a no station. It come like you know hear what Kayla say. The man when me did that they with a thief. When me go down, me know then come ask me back for him money when you give me up in my account. Me no want to see him, sister. Me no want to see him. Me don't want to know which part my daughter. Then me find some way and some means or figure look for my daughter. Where you talk say?
But hold on, you talk about looking that you still a sit down.
No, me know when to go find him. Me
Me
go.
go now.
My daughter soon 17.
So tomorrow morning me come back for some food.
Clear.
Yeah, them cook food over here give me. You never know. Say come back. Over here me come eat, but me not hungry and my belly full. Me eat earlier. So tomorrow
you just sit down and check that.
Tomorrow me check for the food.
Ten today, I she come check
My
the
daughter
food.
can
I feel your
help
cousin take man. Nobody come check me for nothing.
I'm telling you the truth, man. You need to go look for that in the cars. I want wicked man, that you know. I want wicked man. Never hear what happened to your
But you not
ex-woman.
look wicked to me. That's why I'm not. That's
I lock
why.
the door.
Oh, what this?
You know hear what happened to your ex-woman I have?
Maybe
Beat
just-
her and analyze bar.
I lie.
You know hear about Patricia live up in Lane. Let me tell you
Oh, yeah, move now. Yeah, move now.
Let me think. How you think happened to Patricia? When you think Patricia then a grave now? I him beat Patricia. How you did it?
Come.
You better go look for your dad.
Come,
Yes,
better
come
show me
on.
where him there. Show me where him there.
Mama ask one question.
Hello?
How many never start this? Wow. How many life know where you get this from? The color, yeah.
No. The bleach too. My natural color.
Happy birthday to you.
Today your birthday, mommy?
No, my birthday, mommy.
Today your birthday? You wanna see how much birthday you have?
So hold on there. No, it's our sister birthday today.
She did born.
Mom, I realize I didn't know. I mean,
Them know.
They don't know. Sing my sing happy birthday to you.
Them know, but they act like they forgot. I just didn't stay. I don't know how to deal with phone sister, so I want.
I remember her birthday.
Me not like that at all. Because when a phone no birthday, she remember. But when a fair birthday, you no forgot. And fair game, play twice. Remember say on a birthday, I go come back again. Uno would never like fishy do no one at door. I want sister, uno fi just live loving. What am to no? Eh? If you love your sister.
I love her, man. Sorry, I forget your birthday.
She show uno all of the love and uno not show her the love. Me not like it. Just know say uno fi take care of yourself. Share with one another. You understand and help one another.
Yeah, me share my help her in every way possible.
Anyway. When my money there, me not have no pocket. I'm gonna make them bring you to get something for your hair. So, you know, you're the smallest one. Them are your two elderly sisters. So, they're not elderly because they're young too. You know what I mean? They're bigger than you. So, guess what? Two men know how she stay. Because she have one little jealous mind in her. Right? You alone men go give the money, you know, to buy something for her. We should not, you can buy something for yourself, you know, but me must say no phone no money.
Yes, I fear birthday, so I go spoil her.
Anyway, keep this in your pocket. You don't have to spend it. But I say this, Kara go buy something, give her. You try on one, follow her.
So, my one day.
Buy something nice. I know your birthday.
Go on.
I know your birthday, man. Just you know, go buy something nice for your sister. You can buy something no tight for yourself. Here?
Alright, mommy.
Alright. Wanna get big. No picnic and stay at ground. Everybody just grew up.
Hey. Give me money what my mommy did give you.
Yeah, go buy some.
Give me, man, give me it. Thank you. Here. Happy birthday.
What that?
Bola and bag
No, so me cheap. Me what that? Why cake and ice cream there in the present?
No, this year I get. You know, people say bola and bag juice. You will on this year and eat that and sing happy birthday to her. You come party here for me. Get the money buy something later. Happy birthday to you. Eat up, eat up.
No want this.
Why you don't want it? Where
I
am
want cake and ice cream. For my big birthday, give me this. What this?
You figure I eat a get.
You know, so from morning, me no like you know. You better eat it, and when we go over here, you tell mommy say you get KFC, everything you could I even think of.
Why
tell mommy say that you get. Cause if you not tell her that, you see between me and you when you asleep. Cause I say over there you asleep, you know. So eat up and hurry up, cause me ready to go over.
Birthday.
But big birthday. What's about your birthday? You think you're special? Eat up! Come on, give me it. Think you get the madman. Come on. Get up, man. Come here, get me. You don't want it.
Bad
Come on, I know what you think to do with it.
How would that like?
Ami.
Oh, come in, my friend. Come in. A long time I never see you. What?
What?
You know, do up me to me and the breeze are lucky every time on my hat. Catch you with
Why you always like I feel like them in there?
Because the current bill to your money.
Oh, anyway, wait kids then. Normally out them here.
They must be outside or they walk boat and go about them business.
Oh, you know, say, I want money to come to borrow from you.
Money?
Yeah.
Wait there.
Oh, yeah, look fit. Yeah.
Much money you want to borrow?
Well, 130, 20, me take 20 for now.
You know, which part over this one? Wait.
20 minutes check for now.
You know, so me no know, me look like me dey give me one of my daughter them to put on. Me no see no money in this asset here.
Dig deep, man. Dig deep.
You know, in the fit true, you know me
Look at
always.
that corner there, that corner.
No, look, can I like me I tell. Me have the money, but it look like, oh, me dey give me big daughter to put it down for me. Me never know say in my purse. When she come back, me can get it from her and then me call her and make her come pick up it. You know me, Lenny, because me always lend her money.
Yeah, but me not gonna come back here now, because me have too much
But you know
money.
me not tell on you know. You see this time here? Me I start work like what?
Like crazy?
No, like what? What kind of work me I do know when me start lending money? When the interest company, loan
No, man.
officer maybe.
That's why I don't borrow money from them people. Them people, they are thief. If you borrow 100, you have to pay back 200, sometimes 300, why sense?
No, talk you got you. No, if you me always lend the money, you can't give me back one money for the one at a time.
Well, me can give up on 2 grand for the 20.
So how much money you can me daughter have the money? Me don't know which thing what about and when they come, how much money if you take out and call him for?
20.
I mean, no want you see all of me,
20.
20.
Yeah.
So me living at 20,000. You can't give me back 15,000 for
So how you gone?
So if you give me 15 pound 20, that's how much? 35.
If we give 15 pound 20,
Yeah.
me borrow
Me I
20.
give 3 months to pay back 50. That's a good interest that they are long that me give. That's no. You can't
If
easily
I tell
get
you me
back.
6 months and then we pay back 15,000 for it, but
No,
3
me
months
can't
too
wait
much.
so long.
You move like NBW.
No,
You
listen.
see NBW, when them give 100, you know, them I take 7,500 for the month. So if me check your ratios, you are charged too much.
And
what
a
I say?
ratio. Ratio, you know, say maths in ratio.
I
And
don't know.
algebra.
Listen to me.
Percentage and fraction.
Me and math and
You
a
can
friend.
turn percentage into fraction and fraction into percentage. You never know that.
Facts who?
Fraction. You know do fraction?
No.
Maths name
Me
fraction.
only do plus, divide, minus.
That you're used to.
Where the one
Division,
them?
multiplication,
Yeah.
and take away and then sitting there.
And percentage. Can me know about percentage.
But percentage can go into fraction and fraction can turn into
Well,
percentage.
when it come on to money, me know why you don't know no fraction, because that's all like
But
you.
you have different type of maths, you know. Actually, you don't know about enough of them. You don't know
No.
about database and maths.
Data who?
Database and maths. Ratio and maths. Algebra and maths. How what they do? Don't come like you're an idiot. So how you check your wall in my big mason? You don't know say wall can check.
No, man, we just take a tape measure and we come to 4 feet, 5 feet. We don't need
Yeah.
to know about no ratio.
No, listen, me just tell you say maths
So,
them near ratio.
so the one
So
multiply to?
when you build one house, you man them check your wall. You
So they
then know
multiply the wall to?
they must know then do it for how much money you have to pay them if you never know. Let's see there.
No, you see what I'm saying? You see, me and them man, they can't work, you know, because when they come in here and then draw one tape measure and measure something, you have to pay them for
Well,
that.
right, alright. Let me ask you one question.
Uh-huh.
What the right word for mathematics? Remember they call maths mathematics. What the right word for maths where you do at school?
Calculation. Calculator.
Calculation.
Then no math.
Numeracy.
Who?
Numeracy. So what the right word for English? When you do English at school, what the right word for it? Literacy. If you never know, go Google it. If you have sense.
So, all the time me I go to school, back in the days, teacher never tell me then I know how that come up.
The teacher where used to teach you the deaf, dumb and blind, she never
When
learned
me
nothing
did I
from
go
her
to school
teacher.
back in the days, plus, take away, divide and
Yeah, them
multiply.
they call maths and some people and people call it mathematics, but the right word is numeracy. And English is literacy if you never know.
Yeah, when
So if you go pass go do one test now if you pass it, what you think about it? You think of mathematics then put on your English? Numeracy and literacy, you get your certificate.
me feel like saying, all the schooling I go on and all.
So it shows so you're certified that you pass your numeracy level 1 or your literacy level 1 or level 2.
I never reached that level there yet.
Well, you have to go and sense, you know, because 2025, this is
Me left school
that
for-
me not like with you. You're
No.
too dunce, man. That's why you always a look me and me not want you, you know, because me
No,
can't take
let
a
me
man
teach
them
you
with no
something.
nonsense.
Listen, you see one them with the education?
Some of them. Not do that. Now rank yourself with
All right.
with people who are educated and intelligent. Everybody,
Some of them. No, man, and most of them, man. Some of them I know one of them, most of them. Some of them get 10, some of them get 15. Some of them get 8. Where then they?
some of them will have the opportunity to get them job where they really would want, them dream job. They
Right.
get it. Some of it sit down and wait because I know them can't really get no job, you know, they can get it. But the places where them go, them organization there, when them see them bachelor degree and them diploma or whatever,
Then
and them
they'll take them.
certificate.
Let me teach you
No,
something.
listen, as this is true, so they certify with the much subject. I pay them, can't pay them because the amount of money when they look on when they have to go pay people them. Then she say they eat too much,
you
they
want me
can't
friend,
pay
but
them, so
teach you
they tell
something.
them, say no vacancy is not there when I lie.
I'll teach you something, friend. You see, when you go out one place, you go to work, and you send in your resume, and whosoever look on it and sit and say, Bombat. You know, so that
So you ever
person.
hear about your curriculum vitae?
No, not speak them big word. Me never, me tell them I jump out of school from 9th grade.
Okay.
Wish me shouldn't jump out. I want to advise no people to jump out because I could have been the Prime Minister and I help teach the country now. But hear me, I say now.
You want to turn Prime Minister, go in a parliament, go debate, and have round table talk with thief, Jamaican.
Let me ask you a question. Everybody where you see are going to politics.
Alright,
they're going to do.
everyone we know already, but nobody going to go join him. Make it on this so.
Then if millions of
God
people
will deal with them. But you want to join it too?
No, I'll teach you something. If you go to prison.
And don't call the word that way.
Alright.
It's not politics. It is politricks. Don't do that.
I'm glad you learned now.
Incorrect. Point of correction. It is
Tricks.
Good. Amen.
But teach you something. If you go to prison.
Give yourself a clap. First word of
If you go to
pronounce.
prison.
So you must learn to make good
I'll
pronunciation.
teach you something.
Politricks.
If you go to prison, and you in a one cell and I pay a swim around in there, you're going to end up to swim around. What if you're in there for 10 years, 15 years?
Mm-hmm.
So if you go somewhere and I pay a thief, did I so?
You want to turn thief too.
And you did it a few much years, you're going to turn thief. You may be a bigger thief than them or a smaller thief.
So you have to stay in there if you turn the thief, or you that try to leave from that the vicinity here there and go try to look worse than some.
Between me and you, we might go in there but we don't think about a thief. But if me see too much thief in a go and me look on there and say, boy, I'm the only idiot there.
So it makes sense it is though.
So it makes sense.
Anyway, you know what? Cut long story short. You see the money where you say the 20,000 where you want to borrow from me? When my daughter come, go on. Cause you see for your kind of conversation, them where you want to hold and keep up this long stupidity argument. Look here. Me know a long time say you're full of stupidity, but no worry yourself.
No, my stupidity.
Hey, proper pronunciation. Like
Alright.
to pronounce your word properly.
Me
so people they can understand what?
Me stupid.
Stupidity.
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 That means you're full of pure negativity.
Give me work. But you see people that will have sense, they can't get the work because nobody no trust them in
They know you are work. And you know, have no sense. And you get all that money, you come and borrow money from me.
Oh, that too. Then I'm paying good. At $16,000 a week.
Okay, alright. Anyway, may I ask
Government
you,
trade, they put $1,000 for the I'm glad you see. When we see $1,000 go for me pay.
$1,000?
Yeah, man.
You know what? Go on.
16,000.
Go on, cause right now if you're going to the good supermarket, then we have the proper stuff where you can pick and choose from. All one item of 8,000 hard.
Yes, yeah.
Some don't know where you can't chat, but you're glad about $1,000. You will have no fool and sense that some them are turning whole on in an idiot. Better you do one little business yourself and sell bag juice and cheese strips and see if you can make it and that work for people. Bother.
Jesus Christ. I think that's how we are going on. Yeah, camera like me now. Yeah.
Watch ya. Wagwan. Happy birthday.
If this a man knows my birthday. If this a man.
Listen to me. Me not have time for you know when your birthday. Remember when my birthday.
And then when my birthday.
Really? Like really? When the one sister don't remember her birthday?
Hello, me remember my birthday, you know. Me remember when me born. If she know me when she born, she lucky. Me remember when me born, so me remember to get present. Thank God say bad, me born too.
Oh, no. Yeah, how much today?
15.
Oh, congratulations. You're learning, though. That's all good. When if you cheat on a sister, good because you can never get another sister. When a mother can't breed again, you know.
Me have sister right after.
Then
So my
cheat my
sister,
bad.
yeah.
Then cheat my bad.
See my sister here. Come over here, so. Look for the big difference. You see she look like me? No. Stand over there, so.
A
This is what I'm
jacket.
talking about. This is my sister. We
Then
look
just my
alike.
color because me brown them black, so then just my color and cheat my
So,
bad.
are the color? Make you feel like say Anna on a
Look at
sister,
her.
right?
Look at her. Then buy me bull and bag juice my birthday. What is?
How would they afford? How would they have? At the money, if they not the money and they
Mom,
can...
give them enough money to cheat me. And then buy me this. And
You
bag
don't
juice.
chat too much.
So no matter really good enough money, I don't look for a sister and buy him the worst thing for it.
I walk with the afford. Me buy her this. I said to her, she fit talk, I said she have it, right? She said she don't want it, so me I eat it.
Not even put the ice in for the bulla.
Yo, me poop on the gear icing.
You know, say the same way you treat your sister, it's the same way somebody go treat you back. You cannot angle your sister them way. She young.
Me no business.
She does 15.
Me no business.
She have a lot here left with her. Tomorrow morning, if your sister gone and dead, right? Sorry if you call them dead for you. She call them dead tomorrow. Only see one of the ball.
No.
Call them not gonna know no miss.
The only way me go bad is if making it look no way. I shall jump and be excited.
Why?
You think me like her? I don't like her, you know. I don't like her. I do not like her. I don't know why you top of
Now
fast
you
with
your
me.
sister them?
I love them like cook food.
Yeah, there. I wish I could have a sister or a brother so they love me like cook food. You see, how me and my brother and sister used to live. We live like puss and dog, where they know, 6'6".
Oh.
Because they have a bad heart.
Oh.
That's why they live bad. You not gonna make it far in a life. You have to live good.
Oh.
If you can't see the mad people them pan road and tell them good morning,
Alright.
you don't have a heart. If you can't see somebody pan the road and beg you $50, you can't look for them and give them $20. You don't have a heart.
Oh.
If you have the money, you give. You give with a willing heart. Not give say you look for somebody else to give you down the road. You give. Your sister you have, your only sister, you know, no brother. 2 sisters, matter of fact.
How she?
2 sisters. You don't have no brother, only to live as one.
Me no want it. Me no like when argument done. Fake good. Walk on. Come to the back and look at me face. It's a power to tell people things. Yeah, what?
Stop follow she, you hear? Stop follow she.
Oi.
Any day, any day, you reach in a tiger batty hole. Remember me tell her that she gone left you.
What an eye. We
Me
black
think-
and she brown.
Me don't think she'll reach there back
Mama.
because you're a tiger yourself.
You know, see, you belong to America. You're a real racist.
No, me come back. Enjoy yourself.
Yeah.
Enjoy yourself. Alright? How you look so? What do you?
They only buy
mommy.
bulla and bag juice to me. See?
Eh?
And then drink about juice.
Where's it?
They only buy bulla and bag juice to me eat. Internet don't believe. See, me never eat it yet. I don't know what that.
Mommy, we can go to KFC, Burger King, we give her pizza, big cake, everything we give her, mommy.
I want to tell like, I see the evidence here. Who they
No,
tell
like,
like?
bullet there for you, mommy. Me try back bullet
For
for you.
who?
You.
You're mad.
Mama, me go on the road, mommy, and me buy no time money for her like this. If I say me I care about bullet, tell me now you like bullet.
Who like Bulla?
Mama not like bulla.
Oh, give me it then, me eat it. So me can go get her something nice for her birthday. And me say me see the bullet, mommy, and me say me I care bullet come because I the money could have
Mommy, I
buy.
lie.
So,
Listen to me. Me notice from the other day, say, wanna start tell lies. But it don't worth it. It no make it. The trainer sister. One would really do no sister that. After me take up the money and give her and say it won't no bigger than her. Wanna really go buy bag juice and bulla give her. Me know she not tell no lie.
oh, so I can't we lie, so you believe the jacket.
And Which jacket do you talk about?
Mommy look for we and look for she.
That's not true. Find my jacket with you.
Eh?
Call up and change color.
Oh, you fi come out of me. Fi me who? Me you come out of. You know? Look into it. Oh, you fi come from out at this a room here, this a belly here, me conceive with you. And you call yourself a jacket. You see, if I like from the father side, don't need that I would understand. But me not understand no. Who a jacket?
She.
You no mad. You no have no sense. But you no soon know who a jacket from who a no jacket. No worry yourself.
So what fear, father? Certainly not our
Me is
father.
your mother, but me is not size. Me are your mama. But me are none of that chair on no size. Do not question me. What you mean who a fear father? Who a fool no papa? You sure if me know no pa?
You have to know him.
But me no know fear one. Me have to know fool no father. The two no father, me have to know no father, but me don't know. Okay. Big up on yourself. You know what I'm saying? What a world.
Mommy understand me, because I think she a jacket.
You think she a jacket?
Yes.
Me never how she go be jacket? Me never tell her nothing. Make mark one. Me I never hold no conversation yet say chair when I see him father, you know.
All of that we
That's
think.
the point. That I want to think. Me a telling her when me know. I want to stop and talk about she a jacket. I want is very much unfair for me go no money. If you go buy something proper for your birthday, I want to take it and do what I want to do and buy bull and bag on the two out there.
Mommy, you know what people that wish they have bull and bag juice?
As some grown up.
Sure.
But we have the money.
What kind of love this you know for no sister? Me not understand. What kind of love this? Where this a love you come from? Cause this is not real love. Me not understand you. All you shut up your mouth over this like you think you're smarter than me. After the two on no plan and do what you do. Because she's smaller than you, you take her for idiot.
I know. When I realize I have to, Mommy, I'm really sorry. I'm sorry before. I really love you. I hope I can find me heart. Happy birthday. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry for true.
You see your money when me get different. Then take away from you too. All that you not take away too.
Mommy, but I apologize, Mommy.
I swear you hate your sister.
I take the money and get to the old man on the road.
Listen, people can't help people that sitting down or laying down on the street begging. But me give $100 and give she $100. I wanna take the money from her and plus that the money there. You tell me say, you couldn't take one money out of it and give the first one one they talk about. If I'm not liar, they tell boy you give a old man a road liar. Consider down, baby, consider down. Hello. The two one apologize to her sister.
I apologize already, Mommy.
You go do it in the right way. You not too out order.
Say wrong, I apologize. I'm going to say I'm sorry.
That look fake.
I know a fake from a real.
Okay. Me born long time me older down now. The two one apologize to her sister.
I am really sorry for what have I done to you. I really am truly sorry, and I hope you can forgive me from the bottom of my heart. And I really do love you, and happy birthday. I may remember your birthday, I just never did want to remember. Sorry. Yeah.
You hear then? Dry eye, sorry about no worry yourself. Me go buy you a gift, and me go give you some money. Me, I go take out you personally one at the time when nobody know they run me. When they go about their business. Cause through them big they feel like selling to walk up and down and go do all kind of foolishness and come back and tell me like I'm just believe. So I know so it go. Wanna pack up something then pan this. So if you wanna get up. One go wash up your plate then. Wash up your plate then. If you wanna wash up your plate. One sweep up your yard, one wash up your plate.
Let me tell you something. You see, true, me apologize to you yesterday, Mommy did there. That no means I like you. Me no like you, cause me, no look the same. Look on your complexion, look on my complexion, look on my sister complexion. You say, you know, you're jacket. Big time jacket. I mean, I mean jacket what people wear, you know. Me mean bigger time jacket. You understand? You don't belong in our family. And that me mean.
At least me a jacket. At least me a go to school. And me, I did that in school and learn. And you out of school, gonna say, man, you have subject? No, you have none. I can't be honest. I can't be honest. You left school, you got to mad. Me in a school, I feel.
So me a chat to some?
Yeah,
So me really a chat to some?
yeah.
One day, me go thump in your mouth, lick out the braces, them what connect on your teeth. Where your teeth, them a shape body in your head, what roll up them, and me thump in your face, nigga. Man, you chat to me, you know? You know, say me don't like your friends, so my oh yeah, talk to me. See what's up, mommy in there? Me mash up in this. My oh yeah, talk to me. My oh yeah, chat to because raise a friend, I say nah, no man as at all. And you're the next one. You see when you say my face with me, you know, I don't know. And just shut up like you don't have no mouth. And the braces lock up your mouth.
Me not feel say it one right now.
You just not talk, your mouth just lock up. But it's like a thing me like. I mean, like him? Where you come here for? Where you really and truly come here for? Me sometimes wonder why mommy birth you. Where you really and truly come here for? Me just see your skin color come me want like you look like a tufenge. You want like a you. Pampas face. See me like you. Me not like you, no?
Feels so good. Fire. The blood.
Me black and so what? I'm proud of me blackness. Me not like you cause you're brown. Me not like you at all. Me not related. You're not supposed to do that as a family, yeah. Me if you could just pack up and leave. Pack up and come out. That's what I do. I don't like you. Sorry, so me have to see every day of me life. Me wake up, me have to see. Me don't know what me do to God. What me really do to God for God put somebody like you in my life? You think you look good?
I'm gonna tell mom like this.
So to me, see next time me tell you something, you go tell mommy you go thump in your face in front of you. You feel like my friend that you and our mommy, you hear?
Yeah.
So me tell you that. Hey, me tell you nothing you see, if you go tell mommy.
Yeah.
Come here, that bird.
Twinnie,
Yeah.
come here, girl. Happy belated birthday, but me not have no money, so that's why I'm not buying nothing. I'm not look a present
At
or
least you
nothing.
remember my birthday.
When me at least remember your birthday.
My sister remember my birthday now, then that cheat my bad.
Yeah, so I wouldn't care for your birthday.
Guess what I buy? Bull and bag to skunky me.
Me feel say gonna KFC, Burger King, gone crack up
I wish me
and enjoy. So,
wish.
your man in the kind of way?
She gave me money and something, go buy something.
So, well, did they really buy bag juice, yeah, bro? Ain't they?
No? I them drinking bag juice.
So,
that's
you you?
No, I'm that shit that. Never want that.
God.
Me mother
you.
give me money.
I tell you the reason why I never come up here. I used to show mommy now. Mommy dad going too bad. That time mom said me dad come up here. Then she send me for my father now. So I'm gonna have father. So I never get to come. And this me dad go up on the beach side and buy pizza and sit down, you know, them there to enjoy it. But I show mommy, but I tell her.
Oh.
But when I get back the money, me will surely go. Can't let it down, so. I sit down.
Me then go and talk. They don't like me because me brown and them light skin. Dark skin me.
Put over your foot now and sit down. So you mean by show you light skin and them light skin? So you wanna look up from the same mother, so what make you wanna share them up go on, so?
Yeah, I chew me browner than them. Yeah, them a cheat me so.
But your mother brown. Kinda brown. She brown. Cause
Me
brown.
I wish me didn't know my father too.
So you tell me say you don't know your father?
No.
How you mean you don't know your father? Your mother don't tell you where your papi? See if I run the left, no?
No.
I probably let it go buy milk and come back. I don't know, me I say body no, but probably would be. But anyways, I shot my dog going on. I'm decided to make come over here. The sun is hot. So, now go shop and go back to something mommy say for buy. So now even me link you back later.
Alright. Thanks for your birthday.
Yeah.
So I want sister girl.
Not me there. Say that to me.
You think me blind? You think chat along in my eye? Me well and I see you. You don't think you see me as you?
One.
What's up to say me not like you? If you say I like me not like you, me not want to chat to you. Matter of fact, who give you water? Who give you water?
No, I'm a mother.
Give me this. Give me the water. You don't need no water. You don't need no substance of water. You need water for do.
Give me some water now, want me to you.
If you
Some
raise
water
a
in
vice,
the fridge.
if you raise a vice up, me not be so much water want in my fridge. If you raise a vice off of me give you this and fuck off your head. You hear me talk to you, say? Me tell you something I like you, you know. Me tell you something I like you. Everything always going to talk it with me, you know. What I gonna be talk to my sister? Yeah, push up yourself in it. Yeah, what? Yeah, salt? You want every pot?
Come in a different color.
Look, talk about the color. I don't bad me have your color. Just don't like the color that you have. Me prefer black. Hello. Yeah. Boy, you hear me say me I do. You hear me say me I come. Listen to me. Come pick up me at the fence side. Come on, know what wrong with you. Me tell you me I come and say I call my phone. You see, my sister asking me. So last time I'm going for Miss Pam. If mommy asks,
Right, go on,
if
go on.
mommy asks, me go for Miss Pam. If sister asks, me go for Miss Pam. I tell more who call me. I don't want to water right now.
Make sure you leave it tomorrow, you know. Make sure
Yes,
that
I go
everything, the
fun.
money active, everything, you go buy pizza reason.
Little girl, Michaela. For money, me not say. I just know you can't talk to me. Anyway, she got with man. Oh.
So I'll make your dad come deal with her. Say, couldn't just start
Girl,
man.
girl, you know something bigger than you. So you question me for. Me talk to my sister.
But that still don't say. You're not have to deal with the iron because it's supposed to treat her nice.
But me not talk to you, girl.
But they never die for a far up, sir.
Mind your business.
So what me I do, but me just know why you're off my friend up now, yeah.
And me say mind your business. Your name Kayla? Girl, lock your mouth.
No. No. My name Taylor. My name T. Is it me? Yeah, so me just tell her say, take time with her. She very small. I remember say, you will hurt her mentally, you know. I don't never understand. No, we make she lose couple reasons. Why not can't just understand that? Stop being the girl a certain way.
I was not talking to you. Your name Renisha?
Nope.
Okay, so please lock your mouth. As me say. Okay, now.
The girl tell her saying gone. Gonna keep black. The lock bust off. How? Gonna keep black. She bust. Gonna keep black at all. But if you have a little respect towards your little sister. Me I be very honest if you have a little respect. Little bit of respect.
I am not talking to you.
Your little sister if you have a little respect for her. Next thing no matter up her mental state and support. But I don't have little respect to her make shit.
But me not talk to you, but me not talk to you, but me not talk to you, but me not talk to you.
And your little sister, one of your little... Look, I'm sure you know. Imagine you know, tell her them something there, and I do all them something there. Next thing you know, up her so she starts stress. No one she starts stress and go kill herself.
But me say me not talk to you.
Okay. Good evening.
Mommy.
Good evening. What kind of conversation on our all out there?
She
So more
come.
loud. We in the house, me and the year, man.
She come out here address her sister. When I say no, say she can address her sister, but she come out here haggish to her. Then listen, you know, we mess up her mental state and make sure pray hope to kill herself and so forth. That no good.
So not right here, so can you hear him out of the loudest.
That don't good.
So a quarrel, no, a quarrel?
No.
But me come, and me see it in my talk, so me turn to her and say, where is Kayla? And she turned to me and said, Kayla gone with man. And she jump in at it. So me not understand, me not talk to she.
No, she tell her right thing because you come out here aggish to me. True.
Girl.
Hello, what your attitude for? You forgot to say your sister? So a stranger have to come make you know say if you deal with your sister better. Me not understand. Hello. At time for your absence you get big. Not because your sister and them bigger than you. You need to stand up and defend yourself and can help yourself too. Suppose she never come. And suppose we never see in this one here how them a deal with you out here. You stand up and they analyze you. Eh? You need to use your head and understand life. So not because you're small, that means you have right to make people stand up and walk on you like a foot clot or foot mat. No. Me no bring no idiot come on you, say no. I mean, know you have sense. Stop talk about them bigger than me, so anything then tell me just take it so. Pitney will take you for fool at school. Not because you're big as if you can't manage them when you see me, you tell me and a whole heap of time you make them trick me. And you don't tell me
I
what
don't
they do
want
to
lick me now
you.
face.
They cannot lick you. None of them can put their hand on you. Tell me. Come go in the house. Thank you, hear me, baby?
Okay.
Alright, one next time. I you're not ready to go yet. You're not ready to go yet. You stay with her or you go home
No,
back.
me go home.
You go to your mother now?
Yeah.
Make sure you
Alright,
go
later.
straight home to your mother and don't stop on the street, you know. You see
Yeah.
you little and sexy, me no want nobody put their hand on you, you know. And your mother go come quarrel with me, say I don't here, so you left to come and then you go tap a man yard. You go in the house. You can't rude now, what? Outside. Watch her.
No.
Let me come in there and see along up your mouth and you will sit in here and you're outside, eh? You don't want to take this advantage of my sister so far. Kiki,
Yes, mommy.
what's your problem with your sister? What she do to you?
Just
Turn
now.
off the fan, because you're not paying no current bill in there, you know. Every time I tell you to turn off the fan, you turn on the back. Turn it off. Turn off it. Sun gone in long time and you still a burn out the current.
Mommy, Sierra.
Can I talk to you? Hold on. Kiki,
Yes, mommy.
what your sister do to you?
Just not like her.
Why you not like her? She must
Her
do something.
skin color.
Warm to her skin color. A bad mind you, bad mind so?
Listen, touch me.
No, me talk to you. So you don't need to talk to your sister while me talking to you. Go learn to say excuse. Listen to me. When you say just look on her and not like her to her skin color. Because you don't have the complexion like she.
Right.
You're mad. How who make her?
Whenever you are at the part, me no know.
God give her this color. This complexion that she have, God gave it to her. And God give that color, that the color it to you. So you get the complexion where God feel pleased to give you, and she get this complexion. Blood in the two, I see him red blood if you get cut. One no problem. When I see him family from the same trend. Hey, what happened to you?
Excuse me, mommy. Miss Kayla. We go to the ask her where they, and she say you're gonna man yard. Oh, see, give me man now. You give me man now. You copper color girl with a brown color. How much time it takes to make color in your mouth? I could never just say color. I just don't like you. I don't just say color. Where you give me man?
Why not talk about color every time? What
Where you don't say we're gonna man yard?
Hello.
Mommy.
Are you run things in your sorry me?
No, but you tell lie for me.
Every conversation on the whole on talk about complexion. What no problem with color? What no problem? God make everybody. What no problem? I no sister, I no the bad mind. What to no?
Mommy, listen for me, mommy.
You no jealous over people complexion?
No.
Like seriously?
Mommy, me and I don't look alike, so she don't classify as my sister.
What no problem with complexion? Every conversation on the whole, I realize one of they use color, they beat her with it. Like I say, uno jealous because she have a different complexion from uno.
No, mommy. Remember, say she look like this. She brown, so she don't look like me. She don't have my complexion, so she do not classify as my sister, and that's it. Simple as that.
Excuse you. So hold on. Everybody's sister I feel resemble them, feeling like them. You're mad. No, me know where you get the madness from your papa. Although you don't know your pa. You understand?
Yes, mommy.
You see you? Your heart is not clean.
Mommy, you can't say my heart not clean, mommy.
You're full of corruption. Because why you're that jealous over your sister complexion?
I never said that I'm jealous of her. I said I don't like her because she don't have my complexion, so I don't like her.
But that don't add up. Because you can't just look past somebody and not like them too because you and them have two different complexions.
You say me the bad man have your complexion, but I want it. I don't want it. I just don't like the complexion that she have. Look on you. Mommy, look where you look. You're dark skin and she light skin. You sure say that
she
not get the wrong people, wrong somebody.
Father complexion. That a complexion, look here, not have so now what makes it a complexion? You hate people. Because a complexion.
I hate mommy, I love you.
You see, if you don't love your sister, you can't love me.
Oh, then, if you want to put yourself in that boat, you put yourself in that boat.
You go come out of my house because I look like I'm ready for me start. Me take time to talk to you for you have sense in your thick brain. I chat about complexion. You're too torment. All you kiki over there, so. You see you want little news carrier. You're a tail bearer. Why you they tell lie upon your sister?
But I lie truth.
You don't always tell lie upon her. Even if she tell you say, she gone a man yard. Eh? That no mean say that me they talk. Uno always tell lie on her. What no problem? Me never see nothing go say yet. Uno just look on somebody and don't like them because their complexion different from phone.
Yes.
And God make everybody.
Oh well. Okay then, mommy.
And God do not have a problem to give people whatever complexion him want give them.
God never tell me say me have to like her. God never say you have to like her. God never said that to me. So if me do not like her, it's not a problem. God never said
I know that. You know what you have to do?
you have to like her.
You see, where you say you don't like her?
I don't.
Because her complexion? Carry her court.
Go do what?
And make she get sentenced for it.
Me not have time for all of that, mama. Me just don't like her.
Because pay foolishness you know I chat about. I know me no know this a conversation and no adult. Me no know if it talk say. Pertaining to this conversation. Uno 8 people through their complexion. I won't know.
I know, yes, girl.
Uno can't meet nobody.
Well, if you got to take a walk, go on. Oh.
Since you no left school, you no go like you no a big woman because you no a take man. But listen to me. You're smaller than them. You're still going to school. Me no want you follow them. I true them start take man before time. That's why them a behave so. You hear what me say? I may have something to tell you. But me not ready to tell you yet. And you see when me I go tell you? And now I go believe, but you better believe. I know the reason why. The devil make this thing happen between you and them. I don't know complexion nothing. But wait. I cannot tell you now. But one day, before me go on my grave, I will tell you. You hear me, daughter? Don't worry yourself. You're going to be a bright girl in school. Just humble yourself and take your book and be a good girl. A grudge then grudge you. A jealous then jealous over you. Because they want to be like you, but they can't be like you. You hear me? Okay, go in the bathroom and go bathe. Drop the door for me when you go outside. Yeah. Bathe and you find something to eat here. Some food there in the kitchen. Jesus Christ, I don't know where them crosses are come from, Father God. God. I don't know when they take up the napping here from.
Girl. Oh, yeah, look back. You have to see the ugly girl. Oh. You have a plan. No one how to do. You see, come like her. What get man get lead her. You see, today, I was telling her, I said, we are going on a beach. I will carry over a little deep heart for the little long something at the beach. You know what I mean? I will push her. And she go jump. And she can't see me now. He said, I push her, she shall drown. That we go on, we gonna fend her up. And tell her say we got beach and carry got beach and drown her. She even if you get rid of her.
So in a very good stuff in trouble.
No trouble. When she drown, nobody has evidence. The only body that has evidence is you. And if me not chat and you not chat, who go and chat, she can't chat. She not no sense. So that we go and do. Show her in the blood in water. Right? You agree? Agree, fine. Sister girl! Come here. Oh, come here. You know me just realize something? Yeah. Maria said me really dance really living. So I'm really never have to say. No,
I want to change my body. What change? What change?
After the love, I'm realize you're my best sister ever. And I could never ask that. You're another sister that I do. I love you so much, even from heart. See what? But yeah, what? Today, I decided to me and her alone go up on the beach to have a girls' side out. But I'm going to invite you in. I'm sure we're going to go together. As sisters, right? Alright. Let's go. So remember, we're going there go swing. Swing a lane, yes, come on. Mommy.
Oh.
My dear.
Tired.
Tired?
I went not come in. I'm in here.
Just 2
Someone
minutes.
never close the door.
No, mommy. Just come in on 2 minutes or couple seconds. Couple seconds.
How do I look so?
How long?
The face look cold like. I want to do just be on the dinner water or something.
What about on the water?
Oh. I walk in a range or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, hold on there.
Hmm?
Oh, no, sister there.
I say, mommy, I had a weird pain for her and ask me she didn't like, mommy. Me, I tell her, so the little girl gone with man, with her friend. You see the tree we are walking on the road to see her friend, and she and her friend gone with man. I don't know where she gone.
You hear that about Stacy?
Mm-hmm. She gone with man. Mommy, don't act surprised, mommy, because as a 11-year-old, I got they take man of them nowadays. It's nowadays, a 11-year-old, I take man. So if you act surprised, mommy, 11-year-old, I take man. Not wrong if she take man.
Stacy.
Mm-hmm. Your Stacy, mommy, not my Stacy, because I don't have none. And me, I say probably I say every year that if you take man at a young age, so I just make she go on. I tell her if you come, she said she not come to make she go on. I feel like me don't have to talk too much.
Oh, hello. Put on clothes for where you just say. I saw me raise you know?
No?
Fit take man, so why you think say me raise your sister? Why so small fit take? Kayla, be careful of what you say to me.
Alright, mommy, sorry.
All your life, how many years? Me deal with this, be careful.
Yes, I knock, so my papa have my door. See it, yeah?
Hi.
See, where's Stacy there?
Huh? No, when I stay to Mr. Garbage, good evening. Sorry. Finish the evening, no come here.
That's okay. Even.
Good evening. From Mr. Stacy, I was watching.
Hello. When me and her and Stacy walk on the road, Mrs. Stacy stop and talk to you. So I think Stacy got to come here. I tell my mother say, you told her go and take man, because that Stacy say.
When me forget man, I want me forget take man from. You see, after me run down the road, I go straight back up in my yard to my mother. And mommy did send me out and show me see her back. So I want to go beach. Right? So when I see me turn my back, straight home. No man.
I don't know, but me and my sister, my beloved sister, go to beach. Not me and Stacy. Stacy
she go.
Stacy go with you, not me.
She never come with me.
So we do with Stacy.
Like not here. She never come with me. Not tall. She not come with me.
Okay, about the friends they want Stacy.
Hold on, the girl. Me soon call you back. So, gonna text Stacy and carry her go beach. And do what?
She never come, mommy.
Leave her down there by herself.
Mommy, no, she never come. We never do Stacy. Mommy, you know how much me love Stacy. We never do that to Stacy, mommy. We will never do such thing to Stacy.
We can come, mommy, right now. Ask her. I was home.
You better go on in head, because I do a hotel line now. Avatar head. Better go on with Avatar.
I am famous for my head.
So hold on there. Wait. This is serious now, you know, man. You say Stacy go with her friend, go and take man. Then she come back and say, Uno, bring Stacy a beach.
Mommy, a beach we are go with Stacy. And then Stacy see her friend and turn back. That now you don't have more chat. You make me wanna do all the talking. Because me alone in this. I want to hear your mouth. You lock up? But she did that, mommy, and she not talk. No.
Wanna do beat her for no sister or what?
Mommy,
run left her.
Mommy, we never do that, mommy.
Where she there?
Mommy, me love Stacy too, but we never do that to Stacy. It make me feel bad.
Well, the two are not big enough. Right? One can come out, go look for no sister. One go look for her. Because of the throne to leave here.
But they go on ahead, you know. Can you just sit me store?
Me I want to mommy head. That's the only thing me can go do.
That's fine.
Go
on.
You know why I believe this little girl? The two are not like no sister.
Mommy.
I don't know a liar
Mommy,
for a long
as me
time.
swear upon life, mommy, get
for life?
love Stacy,
Not the
mommy.
blood of Jesus. Don't do it. Not do it. Back to the sender. Go swear upon me for take a for life of it.
Mommy, you can ever know what they do.
Mommy, I want to go to my house, mommy. Mommy, I want to go to my house. Mommy, I want to go to my house.
So wicked, how to push me in the water.
Eh?
You know what I do? I think some John, so then go. I want woman save me and give me.
You real?
Shut up! No! You never get me on me. Look here, you never get me on the wrong side, you know. Me always just stay on the right side. Can me try to make you not have me on the right side. But you see today, I done it done. What you say to me?
You push me in the water and things and me drown and then go left me.
Which water? River, sea, where went they?
River.
Which river?
No, river. They cover my eye.
It look like sea and it look like a river in a one. You don't know where you did there small. Me understand. Maybe a beach me yesterday in Carol no go. Well I wanna go a beach. Me yesterday well I wanna go a beach.
Push me in the water.
So where you get this from? How do your clothes?
I want
Shut up.
Save me.
You come sit down right here, so. Where you get up for? Hello, Miss Kiki, come over here, son. I got news for the two of you. Go sit down right here.
Go sit down, no man. What does she say she drowned?
Sit down, listen. Where's my baby? The two of them carry you. Go a beach. You don't know what. He look like a river and he look like sea. And then push you in there for your drown. I want lady save you. Me just a try to see if I when me say you did say. So, are the lady give you this?
I'm close.
Oh, God. Thank you, Jesus. You're not drown. Me need to speak to that lady. God bless her. Get up. Kneel down. Now, turn around. You, come right here, son. You, come there, son. Turn around, son. So, turn around. You, go right there, son. Come up here, son. Kneel down. You'll never see the other side of me yet. Go down a little further. You, hold one of your ears. Put up the next hand in the ear. I want to feel say chew no take man. Up in the ear. You, put up your two hand in the ear, so. Look for me good. Who uno? Who uno? Who for my fear pa? Who for my fear pa? Uno na no more now. Eh?
Mommy, you know who me be already. You know me
know who you be.
Me a
Yes,
tell.
me know who you be. But I'm not your mother. I am not your biological mother.
So who mother?
Shut up!
Oh my
Answer when you're called.
You lie at your mama.
Shut the hell up. A long time me I take this with the two of you. Listen. Them are your biological sister. I know for me pick me them. They don't have no mother. They don't have no father. And a matter of fact, the two of you are two different ma and two different pa. Uno not related. Me take you up because me have the love of a mother to kids like Uno where are orphan. We don't have no mother and no father. So get that from now. Uno and a biological sister. Uno not have no pa nor no ma. When me say that, you know what I mean? No mother nor no father. Uno an orphan. I told me of the love in me. For kids or children, whatever you want to call it. When I have no mother and no father, why me take up uno and take care of uno, send uno go to school, feed uno, clothes uno and shelter uno until uno reach this age, uno come and take disadvantage of my child when me bring in a me womb for 9 months. Because what? Our skin color? Uno sick in our brain. No me know so now the devil pick me. Yo! A children where me get you from. Cops. Girls home. You know what name so?
Me home and reach them, mommy.
Because you're not no partner no ma. So I take you and take care of you and you come take disadvantage of my child. You're wicked and heartless. Yo! And the next one. Your mama dash you in a toilet pit and go and take you out and me come take you and have the two of you as my own child. All when my breast never have no milk in there. Me take them and put in on no mouth. I couldn't feel how breast feel as a mother. Show box milk pan ya, you just suck it down when it a drain off a fight because you was a baby. You don't have no sense. And can you imagine this a thanks you give to me although you never know whether me or ma, or pa, grandma, great grandma, great grandpa. That not say uno grow come up now and hear say this little girl we a female personal daughter and uno sister. And uno take disadvantage. Her life come straight up until now. And she love uno so much. Me nah forgot. Me take up my money and go no much time. Because you no older than her. And you take the money and buy what you want buy and sport it out. And buy foolishness give her because she younger than Uno. Uno big and understand. But Uno dumb and stupid. Because you see the small one them. Then did a baby too, like Uno, and then Uno get big, and now she, you see how she big now for her age? Even though she's a child, she will get big to like Uno and even older. I remember every wickedness you Uno do to her. Uno heartless and wicked. Me and no mother. And all Uno that do to her, how much she hears now, me still take the foolishness and keep calm because me no want insult and for no feel bad. Because you don't have no mother nor no father. Me was no mother or no father until today. I work out all my life. I wash a lot of dirty germs out of people's clothes. Just to make Uno survive and became a young woman. I Uno do this to my own child. You sorry?
I'm sorry, mommy. Please find it happy. Forgive me. I'm sorry, mommy.
Uno no believe me. Uno no believe me. Allow me to tell.
Mommy, you're your mother, mommy. I'm sure you're upset.
Me are Uno mother because I'm me grown up. I mean, suffer with Uno, but I am not your biological mother. No, Uno. And remember what me say. Uno not related neither. The two Uno are two different picnic from two different generations.
I'm sorry, mommy.
You hear what me say?
I'm sorry, mommy.
Uno not related, so no, you dey kill up yourself about your sister. Your sister Uno prefer one another more than this child. Well, Uno should have accept and love because she's small, she young.
I'm sorry, I hear.
Uno tell what you like.
Oh, but finally, I'm forgive me. Really, truly sorry.
Wait, hold on. This is for you. Me know Uno can read. Come and send Uno a good school. This is for you. Uno will know whether me or no ma, pa, mama, or me and Uno and no nothing. Uno will know that. Whether me and Uno and no nothing or not. Uno will see if I lie me I tell. You know if you up me now. When Uno come out of my place.
Listen, mommy.
When Uno come out of my place. I do not care. Uno big enough now can go on Uno own. Because Uno a take man. Only people tell me about Uno on road, And Uno come and tell life on the little girl. Look how Uno wicked and heartless. Chuma her off in the sea. Fishy John. So Uno want to kill her.
Practice me that teacher all this way.
Your life, God? Okay, take this.
I'm sorry, mommy.
Get up. Get up. Stand up.
Sorry, mommy.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
I'm sorry. Me not gonna leave, mommy. Me not want to leave, mommy.
Remember, say.
No, leave,
When
mommy.
me did come up a girl's home for you, and this the police them did give me. The people them will walk up there. Get up. Pull the door. You're young and strong. Pull it. Push your hand up there so and pull it. Pull the door. Pull it.
I don't want to go there, mommy.
Pull it. All of you wear and like dress them where you get up at the girl's home.
Bad.
And the dirty brands here them where you get up there. They in a this. So you from whole long till how much it. They in a that and a wash. Go on. You can't see one. Leave her.
Mommy, please forgive me, mommy, please. No, mommy, no. I'm sorry, I had to love you.
Stacey, I am your mother. I love you dearly. You see them two girls there, them two big ass steering girls there when me just run out? I still love them. But sometimes you have to put people in their self. Make them know themselves, make them go in their shell. Me love them same way, but me now go take or make sake of love. Me make them do you no more. You take as much till you can't take it no more. See that they want to analyze you. The two of them wicked and heartless and cruel and evil. The young people like them that when I reach no weight and then so wicked. Me no want them run me. That mean they will try get rid of me to in my sleep or out of my sleep. Me take care of them big and can go up on their own. God not seen me. Make them go on. Me sorry say me have to send them out, but they have to go. Look what they do. It gone too far now. This thing gone too far. Take your care of a beach, go shove you off, it join you. You take your life and you not live no life yet. Eh? Don't worry yourself. God is God.
God save me.
Yes, thank God, and thank God for that lady there. But guess what? We go always take care of kids, so we get another sister. As your mother, not breathing again for the rest of her life. Are you one, me and God, treading through this land? You understand? I'm going to hope and pray the next thing them when me take. Any other kids when me take, I hope them could grow come up, have manners, and know if it treat people with love, not hate. After you see them two crosses pitney, they know say them my devil, you know. Devil pitney from hell. Me, not even high nor by, me no want nothing from them. Me thank God, God when help me, me can help them. But then can't go and then God's to go. Then can't stay in here so. They ain't staying here no more. Then is a wicked. Go and go lie down, car. You sure say alright? The lady did give you something to eat?
Yeah. Then
Okay.
me I walk on the road.
Alright. Me this tired, you know, and then come call you. You bend down, torment like our. Boy, God, thank you, Jesus.